Good morning, good morning. Welcome everybody again. 3rd of March. Let's see what we're gonna do today. Some nice setups. Welcome Zoom chat.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, the YouTube live wasn't working. How are you guys?
Pretty good.
Perfect.
Nice sleep. And you?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm good.
Nice. Master P, I saw you like repaired your own car.
Oh yeah, I replaced built the brakes yesterday.
Ferrari
Where
dealership.
do it? Like which garage is it?
Ferrari.
No, it was the AKR performance guys. They only focus on Hondas.
Okay, and they let you do your stuff in their garage.
Oh yeah, you can. Well, I had help from one of the guys as well, but you can rent out like
I see.
the lift.
Pretty fun to repair cars, I think. It makes you really love your car.
Yeah, definitely.
It's fun.
I've been
How much power
hitting,
does it run now?
right now. It has like 135 horsepower.
Okay.
But the thing about like my Honda is it weighs 860.
Yeah.
It's nothing.
Crazy.
I've
That's
been
true.
hitting some gold cells this morning.
I saw.
Yeah, two trades, both out at BE. They would have both been stopped out. Stop loss would have been hit. So BE is pretty good, but
Based on 5-minute.
yeah, I'm thinking that there's just no volume right now because new candles closing
Yeah, I
back.
tried a sell as well. I didn't do it, but just as a paper trade. And what I look for is that sell price just closing bearish, but at this candle closed bearish as well. It pretty much retested this zone.
Yeah, exactly.
So I took a paper trade right here when it broke the low, but it touched this low and then just.
Yeah, exactly. Let me wait. Where's annotation? Yeah, I took a sell. Same idea to you, but I took it over here, the second one, because that was when the
Where?
30-minute.
Oh, right here. Okay.
That was when the 30-minute flipped bearish, and then
Yeah.
I saw how it rejected here, so I closed everything once it came back to my
Okay.
entry.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah,
Makes sense.
there's this level all the way left as well that it's respecting.
Yeah, I saw that level too. Saw that too, based on
Yeah, I think it's just no volume right now. Like Frankfurt isn't open, this and that.
yeah.
I'll see what it does a bit because I think it can go all the way down to 1722. A lot of volume.
Basically, it's
Oh yeah.
like the same as GJ, right?
Yeah,
Basically. From analysis and stuff, or is there some difference? Like I'm watching gold for the first time now.
Oh,
are you looking at that 15-minute? Oh.
In terms of zones and analysis, it's pretty much the same, but the movement is more it's more fast, moves bigger, so your stop loss is also bigger.
Yeah.
But it respects certain things more. So like when a candle flips bearish and it had no bottom wick, then it's actually gonna keep pumping in that bearish direction. But sometimes GJ you'll find that it just creates a bottom wick and then just does all sorts of things.
Hi guys, good morning. How are you guys doing?
Good morning. Yeah, pretty good, man. What about you?
Yeah, well, I missed them gold sales. Saw them, but I was like, not my time to trade. Not my time to trade. So
Yeah.
really kept off
Hold
it.
them
But
back.
well done, Master P, man. Well done.
Yeah.
Just looking at GJ. Yeah, are you guys. My bias is quite bullish.
Yeah, me too. Because
You guys
actually,
think?
we're making higher highs and higher lows. So
Yeah.
higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. This could be the next higher low. So personally, I'm looking for buys above 227 because at this level. And on the 1 hour, it's not that bad because on the 1 hour, it's the same level as this. This is a pretty strong zone right here. like this entire zone. So I just want to close above that.
Even if you have a look at the 4 hour for a second,
Yep.
like you see that 4 hour close, the
This one.
bearish one, yeah. It closed above that little bit
Yeah.
of resistance.
Yeah, so this could be just a retest.
Yeah, just like creating that little wick.
Yes.
So I'm like, although we have got that huge news today in the UK with the annual budget, well, I think that could just give us that volume to push that push up for some reason or the other.
Yeah, this is the entire day, right?
It's
Yeah.
tentative. I think it means that it'll be released sometime during the day, but we're not sure when.
Okay.
Just knowing what it's like in the UK, I think it'll be, because we have the PM questions at like 12 o'clock. I think it'll be released before that. So it'll be sometime. This is just my like what I think, knowing what it's like. The government.
Personally, I would like to see this 30-minute close right here, because then we have a huge bullish candle against the bearish one. So that means that we just pretty much rejected this, because it did break out of this support level right here.
Yes.
But this is just a strong candle that still says we're going bullish. And if this candle closes just below here and the next one closes above, we could take some buys.
Stop loss, yeah.
Have a breakout, better stop loss. 15-minute stop loss is also huge right now. Let's say it breaks out of the range and you get an entry like 236, it's going to be a 16 pip stop.
What price are you guys waiting for it to close above?
227, because it's level to the left. 1 hour it looks good to buy above 184. And maybe on a 1 hour close you could, if it closes above here, but based on 30-minute time frame, you got this level that's a bit higher. That's around like 210. And then this level, what I'm I'm taking that into consideration, because it's still the same level on the 1 hour as well. So that's just a strong resistance. So
I see.
above 227.
Yeah, that makes sense, because it's also above the 4-hour high right there. So if it closes above the 4-hour high, that's a good indication.
Yeah. Yeah, you see that level is a 4 rejection level as well, based on here. So that would be perfect. First target would be this time. You need to put stops at break even, because your first target is going to be around like 300 flat, around that, and that's a 4-hour wick. We could reject off that. So I think once you take buys, that you have to take in consideration that this level could, mess you up. Let's see what's gonna do. Nearly Frankfurt open. Good morning, coming. I put the YouTube link in the chat, so you guys give it a like. That'd be awesome. Yeah, once we what Master P also said, once we start breaking that 4-hour high, it's gonna be very nice.
Yeah, right now it's just a waiting game, man.
Yeah.
I was more daring like Master P for my standards. I mean, there's good analysis from him. You know, I saw them gold, wanted to take it, but backed out, man. Would have been a good day, good start to the day. But
I
it
think
is
we
what
went
it is.
break even as well, right? So
I'm sure there was a good range, like 10, 15 pips
yeah,
from his entry.
yeah. Gold seems so easy when people do it. It's insane.
Yeah, but when
It's
you're
like
actually in front of it, it's like a different
yeah.
beast.
You see some guys in the Slack group as well. They're just killing gold, just destroying gold.
Yeah, totally. And I'm there sitting like, yo, what's going on with
Yeah.
gold? How did how did he fare yesterday overall?
What?
How did he fare yesterday?
How did I
With
perform yesterday?
no, we took that buys. You took that buys
Yeah.
impulsively. Did you manage to?
GPY.
Yeah, GJ. Yes.
Yeah, no, it turned into a loss.
Did you manage? Were you able to manage it, or did it just?
No, not really. That's the
Ah,
thing.
crap.
There, this one I took this. So we're
Yeah,
ranging.
yeah. It was literally
Price
there.
broke out. It was a valid trade,
No, no, no. Yeah, definitely.
and I got in at like 424, I think.
Hmm.
No, higher 440.
Oh yeah, yeah. It was 440. 440. Yeah, we were talking about that
I'll get it
level.
off 440, but yeah, my target would have been right here, and stop
Mhm.
loss I had right here below the previous bullish candle. Yeah, it went down to retest again and then push what I expected to push in exactly to that level for the first stop.
Mhm.
So
Were you able to go back in the retest, or were you done?
no, I was
Really?
done. No, I was done. No, I didn't take this. I saw it happening, but I didn't take it.
Mhm.
Oh,
That's no, it was valid, man. It was valid, but it was just one of those.
yeah, but
Just
personally,
decided
what I could have done is waited for the 30-minute candle to close because it was already uh,
extended.
9:45.
Mm.
Yes, less half an hour, less 15 minutes gonna be a push.
Hmm.
That's true, but I think yeah, based on like 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock at Frankfurt Open, 9 o'clock at at London Open, yeah, you could take those 15-minute confirmations, but after those times, there's going to be less volume because that's just a shootout. So I think I should have waited for that 30-minute to close, but yeah.
Right.
You never know, because if I waited for the 30-minute to close, it would have already probably been here, or you never know. So
yeah, we faced that on Monday. You had that
yeah.
on Monday, didn't you? You had that on Monday.
Well, it wasn't an impulsive entry. It was just based on the candle close and retraced, and boom, I got in. So I pretty much opened, it retraced down straight away, then I got in, and then it started going back up a couple times. I got like in 3-4 pips profit. It retested it around like 400, and then it got up, and then it started going like up, and then didn't really, change around like 3-4 pips profit, and then it just started flying down. So it wasn't really an impulsive entry. It's just based on price closing, price retracing, trying to retest its level and then go further
It was
up.
more like you were trying to like find a better entry, really.
Yeah.
Because the real entry would have been at the close of the 15 minutes.
Yeah.
You're trying to find a better entry, just give it a just so that it creates a lower wick.
Yeah.
And it was a valid entry because it was above that. Yeah, exactly that. It was above that. Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah.
Because I've seen that work out so many times.
Yep. And the thing is, there was a possibility to wait for the 15-minute high to break, but at that time, my target would have been 9 pips and stop loss. You never know where. So, yeah, it is what it is.
Just one of those character building trades, man.
Yeah, 100%. I'm just waiting for this 30-minute to just close outside. And then
This is just me, yeah, but because it's coming up to Frankfurt Open, and then normally what I see is around like 7:10, 7:14-ish, you get like a push, right?
Yeah.
Of the 1 hour high, I might go in for a small position entry and add the rest of my position once it goes above the 149 240
Okay.
or 230.
Yeah. Yeah. You could do.
Stop loss would be below the current candle, like 1 hour.
Oh, that's
15
pretty big.
minutes. No, not the previous, the current, like
Oh,
the
so
one that
yeah.
it indicates.
I'm still waking up, man.
I'm not gonna have like a 30 pip stop loss, man.
Yeah.
That's the buys.
What do you say?
That's just for buys. Yeah, that's the buy idea.
Pretty nice. Yo, guys in the Zoom, don't forget to like, man. Don't forget to like. Put the link in the chat. You only got 5 likes and 23 people in.
Have a song, bro. Music.
Oh yeah, it's a good idea.
Yeah.
Good morning, Will. I don't know if they can hear it well. Yeah. That's better. I don't know how loud it is on the stream right now, so I'm gonna turn the volume down. Okay, that's better. Perfect. Yeah, that's true, Lacan, but we still closed above this level, so... And we just rejected. So let's see. Personally, if sells get into play, I don't know where I would sell.
Also, the 4-hour is ranging, so technically it's ranging, so it's pretty tricky to say if one candle closes bearish that the next one will continue bearish.
For me personally, this is all... No, I don't see clean sells. It's all just dog shit right here.
Yeah, it's delicate because price is making higher highs. I think the lower time frames, they will dictate the formation of the higher time frames. If price starts breaking below, retesting the low, breaking the low, then it's gonna go down. But if it breaks above 220 to 230, then it's gonna continue up.
Probably.
Yeah, I think if we start, I mean, if you're like very risky, you could probably look to take a trade to retest this low on GJ. And you know, you have this selling range over here from 149.085 down to 148.760. But I think safe sells are gonna be below 148.750 down to like 148.150. It's a rather clean range for sells as well. Let's see.
What? They're saying that this is gonna fly.
What's that?
ADA,
A euro.
like a coin. And lots of big companies or something gonna invest in it. I got no idea, but those are guys I know. They
Look at the monthly maybe.
yeah. One of my friends. He oh damn. One of my friends. He's in at like 40 cents, like right here.
Oh, nice.
They're expecting it to go to 10, but I got no idea where they got those numbers from.
Yeah.
Hey guys,
Hello.
I got in at ADA pretty early. I think at about 25 cents.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
But I think you know when they say, "Oh, it's going to go to 10" or "It's going to go," it's just all made up.
Yeah.
It could go to 10 or it could go to 0. I mean, it could go back to.
You're in at 88 cents. Damn.
It's about 25 cents.
Yeah.
I got in a long while ago. Somebody recommended me.
25 cents.
Yeah.
Damn. Did you put
I
a lot in it?
Nah, and I also got Polkadot really early as well.
Okay.
I've tripled my account on that.
Yeah.
But you know, I take out a whole bunch of money because, you know, I just don't want to let it run.
Yeah.
Without taking the profit.
There's
the
some
problem with coins is that you know, it's always oh, this is going to go to the moon, this is going to, you know, this is going to 100,000.
Who knows?
But it's just speculation.
Yeah.
There's no way of knowing.
It never touched 10 before, so where did it get the number 10 from, you know?
Yeah, it's just a nice round number. But
yeah. It could go retest this level maybe where it opened.
Yeah. Eventually, yeah.
I could do. But yeah, if it's so popular, why is it so low for so long?
Yeah, I mean, there's so many coins. But I have another coin, an Australian coin, that's based on having businesses sign up. So my business is signed up to it, and I got in at. They gave me $1,000, 1,000 coin to sign up.
Yeah.
And it's now worth. It was worth $500. It's now worth $7,000.
Damn.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
And I sold we sold our car to a friend of mine, and he gave me 1,000 coins, so that was another $7,000 on top of that. Yeah,
give me those coins.
I know he got $100,000 worth of coin just through selling it to businesses.
Yeah.
Yeah, but this coin, it's called Q coin, and it's pretty good because you can actually buy stuff with it. Like you can go and buy a Mac, or you can buy, you know, like
Q coin. What's it called?
It's called. It won't be on any exchanges. It's QION. You can go to the website. It's only in Australia and New Zealand.
But it's pretty popular then.
Yeah, because it's based on signing up businesses rather than just going on an exchange and hoping people invest in it. So as each business signs into it, and all you're doing basically is just signing onto a directory. So, you know, you go onto the website and you can see everyone's business. It's just like a yellow pages, or, you know, like a directory.
I see two.
And you can buy the products.
That's pretty sick.
So as each new business signs up, the value of the coin increases.
That's interesting.
Yeah. Wait, which one is it? Because I see like 5 different ones.
I'll just send you the webs. I'll just type the website in.
Yeah, I see like lots of different ones.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, perfect. Yeah, I didn't even see that one on this entire list.
No, you won't see it on that. They have their own exchange where you can cash in.
Oh, I'm not allowed to get in.
You can buy coin. Yeah, you can actually buy coin.
Yeah, I'm not allowed to go on the website.
Oh, I think it's only for Australia.
Because it's in Australia.
Mm.
Wait, I'm in.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, I'm in. Oh no, that's a different one. What?
Hang on. Coin.com.au.
Yeah, I'm not allowed to get it.
Luke, I think you have to go coin.world.
Yeah, maybe I gave you the wrong website.
It looks decent.
Coin.
I got a Chinese website.
I only do it on my app. I'm just already in there. Hang on. I have a look on my app.
Bullshit. No, I can't. I'm not allowed to visit that as well. Oh well. Yo, GJ, gonna do something?
Yeah, it looks like it was about to break the high for the past 10 minutes or something.
Yeah, if we break above those levels, we could definitely start retesting 150, you know, 149, 600. All those levels. looks pretty solid.
I already took a short on GJ earlier.
Oh, really? Did it work out?
Yeah,
1
yeah, I
second.
got 12. I got 14 pips from when it broke. I got in at 149, 120, and it closed at 148.98.
120. Damn.
Yeah.
But didn't you take this level into consideration, or you were like, oh, it's gonna drop?
Nah, not on in that moment.
Okay.
So I was looking at the 15, and I could see what it was going to do.
Oh, you got in based on the break of that 50-minute low.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, that was it there. It was, well, my time it was 3:45. Yeah.
Hmm.
Which was about an hour and a half ago, or no, a bit more than that, 2 hours ago.
Jay broke the high over here.
Yeah.
So it's going.
Yeah. Just close above 228. And I'm happy.
That.
It just pushed on down.
This is what happened last night.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait personally.
Yeah, I got bitten last night on
Boom.
that trade.
Broke the high. Oh, stop is pretty big though, but if you take the 15-minute stop, it's gonna be 10 pips for you if it breaks out, if it closes outside, and then still allowed to close like 280, 250. Yeah, I'm good. I bet there are some people in.
Oh, yeah, close.
I think buy is in this trade.
Hmm?
He planned it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm in, man.
Oh damn. What's your
So
entry?
there's 15, 35.
Oh, that's not bad.
But I took another like little one at
Lower, like 120.
yeah, 20. Yeah, 120. No, not 120. At 190.
190. That's pretty
Yeah,
good,
so it's
man.
about 7
7
pips
pips.
at the moment. Yeah. But let's just see what it does, because I really want volume to go through. Because if it starts coming back in, then I'm gonna close it.
That makes sense.
Yeah, I already had 2 break-even trades on gold, so technically, officially, I should be done for the day, but...
But, there's a but.
Yeah, but like, I wanna... So Raja, what he used to do before he came up with the 2 trade rule, like he used to do this when he was like, you know, on the come up, growing his account, he would just keep taking trades until his first loss. Then once the first loss comes in, calls it a day no matter what. And I wanna
Okay, wait. Oh, yeah, go ahead. Sorry, my magic keys is just broken.
Oh yeah. My magic keys didn't want to put stops or break even when I was in gold for some reason.
My magic keys isn't opening the calculator.
Let's see if this pulls back here. On the 15.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll get in anyways if it closes like this, because it's only a 12 pip stop at that time, and target's gonna be like pretty savage. And I have 600 as my first target. Well, second target. First target's gonna be 10 pips at the end of the day, but you know, based on daily time frame, 640, pretty nice. 4 hour, 5 something maybe. Yeah, I like it.
I mean, I would normally have waited for it to, you know, close but I've just seen GJ move so
Yeah.
much, you know,
Yeah, I understand.
and I've missed plenty. I don't mind holding out. I don't mind staying in the trade if it's even gonna like buffer out for a bit around this area.
Pretty she's in from 235 as well. Yeah, I'm waiting for the close. I don't mind. If it goes, it goes. If it, waits for us, it will wait for us.
I wanted to fly. I'm sorry.
Just wait for
I
us,
just
man.
wanted
Don't
to
take
fly.
off yet. Wait for us.
It was the thing is, Luke, I wouldn't mind, but it would come back down to retrace, right?
Yeah.
Just so that it creates a little wick. So my idea is just for it to have like a one big bullish candle. If it closes
Yeah.
around here, the next candle, I would expect it to like do another cycle of coming down slightly, test that
That's gonna, yeah.
200, and that's going to put me in a little bit of drawdown, which I'm
Yeah.
not really looking forward to. I'm going to have to hold that drawdown and like all that emotional turmoil.
Yeah.
So I don't mind, because yes, I understand the cycle of the market. For the price to go up, it has to come down slightly. But ideally, just because I'm in this trade, right?
Yeah.
No altruistic reason, like no altruism at all. Push up like how it's doing right now. Loving it.
There you go.
Bit more, bit more.
So we are now at the daily week.
Yeah.
I mean, like this, it's even closing above every single issue on the left.
Yeah.
So
It doesn't matter if you have a bigger stop now.
Yeah. We will see. Because this
Yeah.
candle has this 5 minute, like this 15-minute has the still 1 5 minute to close and then another 5 minute to close. So
Yeah.
you have to visualize how are those 5 minutes going to close. And sometimes that will give you like the confirmation to just enter like once, to just enter before like the higher time frame candles close.
Yeah.
Sometimes.
Personally, what I'm waiting for is maybe a close around like 70. And then I have a bit of a normal stop loss based on 15 and 30-minute.
Yeah. If it can close above 270, then it's closing above every single issue, any possible issue.
Yeah.
Then the next issue is 25 pips away.
Yeah.
So
We just have to wait.
Yeah.
6 minutes. Could fly already now, but then it's maybe gonna do a break and retest, so I wouldn't really mind about. Yeah. That would be good as well.
yeah, maybe if the last 5 minute can
What's-
close bearish, leaving a wick, that'd be nice.
Yeah. What's the reason of Tesla just in a downtrend?
Well, I mean that's just the 15-minute time frame. But yeah, with stocks, you really got to look at the like at least the daily.
Still.
Also, I found this pretty good website to buy gold or silver or just metals here in Amsterdam.
Bang! It broke that level right here. Oh dang.
Nice. If you look in the Zoom chat, I sent this website to buy like gold, silver, whatever metal in the Netherlands. It seems pretty good.
Let's take a look.
1 kilo of gold is 46,000 euros.
Oh, that's cheap, man.
Yeah.
So I've secured, secured my profits, and
Yeah, you're at 10 pips. Savage.
Yeah, I'm not even gonna lie. One thing is that little bit of greed comes in place. Oh, I wish I could take more pips,
Yeah.
but the rule is 10 pips, and I'm just gonna stick to that because I can see there's a huge like volume, like clear candle to the
Yeah.
left.
You know how stupid this is if you look? You buy 1 kilo. This coin is 1 kilo. Imagine how big that is.
Yeah.
But you pay this for a kilo coin, and this is actually the price of silver per kilo. Look how much
Yeah,
more you're
exactly.
paying. Stupid.
Yeah, that's the issue with these coins is that the spread can be quite high.
Yeah, that's the
So
problem as
from
well. In the Netherlands, you have to pay tax on buying silver.
Oh, really?
No joke. Yeah. And here they say without. But at the end of the day, I think
They're the brokers, right?
yeah. Here. Yeah, this isn't Dutch, but you have to pay 21% over.
Oh, yeah, of course. There's the BTV, right? Yeah, so instantly you're in a 21% drawdown if you buy physical.
Yeah, man, you buy it and you need to go up 21%. Like, what? It doesn't even make sense.
Yeah, but I don't know. Gold and silver is not like an investment for me to make money, but just to protect money.
Yeah,
So I wouldn't mind the drawdown.
yeah, but that's already 21% shut down, so it's not really protected at that moment.
Yeah, like buying
It's like-
coins or stuff, okay, but
No, it's like you got an army of 100 guys and you put 21 guys in the line ready to be shut down, and the rest is safe. You know?
yeah, okay, sure. But yeah,
And then,
do you also have that tax on gold?
yeah, on any physical product that you buy, it's like, just VAT. When you go to the store to buy a new car or something, you pay.
Damn,
Yeah.
crazy.
Right.
Nice.
I had a paper trade in from 149, 150,
Savage.
but yeah,
Probably. Yeah, go on.
I know that.
Yeah, I was gonna say probably a buy stop above the 4-hour high would have been a good idea, but
Yeah.
what I should
I
have could have.
closed half at 12 pips. So
Oh wow,
You got it
Gold,
at 280.
I've got another one open at 10 pips. Okay, there we go. We're going to close some of that.
Yeah, it's gone.
I'm doing something silly. I got 2 accounts going, so
If you
Yeah.
go back to like 300, it might get in. Close above that week.
I'd want to see a 5-minute pullback, some sort of 5-minute support form. But I think maybe they released the thingy that we were waiting for, because all pound pairs are like pumping hard. Like GU also huge candle.
oh, what happened there? Okay.
You could better buy gold, because if you buy the silver, you need to pay the tax. But in Germany, you don't have to pay that tax, so for you it's all good. But for us, it's not. It's no good.
Maybe we
No
need to
good.
go to Germany. Oh wait, so the tax,
It's not in Germany. Only in here in the
Oh, but-
Netherlands.
is that 21% tax also on gold, or is it?
No, only on silver.
Oh, whoa, oh really? Why?
I got no idea, man.
Maybe silver isn't seen as like an asset or something.
Bro, savage push right there. Imagine if you got in at 235. 17 pips. Savage. And it's staying up. It's not, it's not showing any momentum to push that back down again.
Yeah, that
But
was
there's-
tricky. I got in on one account at 28, and then I got another account, and I got in at 31.
Very nice.
I should just that was too tricky. Trying to run 2 accounts at the same time.
Yeah.
And then I opened a TzRzetHz account for gold just to see how it goes. TzRzetHz is pretty good.
Tim, ambassador.
yes.
We got someone talking about C-Trader.
Oh, I'm your
Pretty
friend.
clean.
Are you using TzRzetHz?
It just opened new candle. I'm expecting some pullback, like these levels. But I don't know if it's smart to get in.
At the 5-minute, you just want to see
Yeah.
resistance formed and then support to retest the resistance.
Yeah.
Yeah, what Master P said. If it breaks if bullish, bearish, and then bullish candle, that is potential entry again.
Yeah.
So create a resistance, create a new support, and up the next candle after that. If it wants to.
Yeah. Or maybe it just flies to.
Yeah, this is the kind of like setup I've seen so many times. That's why I just like trade using buy stops and sell stops quite a bit.
Yeah. You could maybe get in on the break of the high.
Oh yeah.
What happened in New
Stop
York
loss.
session 3 times yesterday? Just broke out and broke the high, you could get in. Broke the next high, you could get in.
Yeah. Because once GJ starts moving, this is a huge candle. It's strong. Like, it's no joke.
In volume, and stops would be like 10 pips if you put it on the current candle. It's risky, but yeah, momentum is there.
Yeah.
I mean, one bright side of this, I always say, is next time we can take the sells on the way down because it's forming a clean candle, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Didn't break yet, but I don't think I'm gonna get in this.
No, me neither.
Probability of pulling back is just high.
Yeah, probably London Open is gonna have a pullback since Frankfurt was so strong.
Yeah.
Does that happen?
Yeah, from what I've seen, oftentimes if you have a huge move in Frankfurt, then London pulls back or is slower than normal.
Okay. And then
I just-
continue, or sorry.
No, go ahead.
And then like it continues to move after the open, or completely reverses?
No, not necessarily reverses, but it pulls back, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Yo, guys in the Zoom, don't forget to like. Only have 8 likes, man. Got 30 people in the Zoom. Come on.
I don't get it, man. Come on, man.
Yeah, give a small like. It's just a small thing. Right.
We need to call winning trade ideas for those extra likes.
Yeah. Perfect. Thank you, man. Yeah, taking in a buy stop right here would have made a lot of sense. Now that I look at it.
What about a stop loss?
Because this is just, it broke out, retested, then bang, you know.
Yeah, and I found that once the 4 hour breaks the low and then goes to break the high, then
Volume.
yeah, their volume kicks
This
in.
is just, let's say, a fake out on this
Yeah.
time frame. Just a retest, liquidity grab thingy.
Well, it was a fake out on the 30-minute actually.
Yeah, right here.
Time frame view.
Because if you look right here.
Oh, sorry, man.
Oh no, go ahead.
No, I was just saying that like 4-hour candles are a very nice, yeah, overall picture of what's happening. And if you get what they're doing, you really start to see nice confirmations.
Yeah.
I was like starting to watch them like 2 weeks ago.
True. Yeah, this candle just got back inside the range, retested this level. If you look at this wick, retested this level, and then rocket.
This pullback is good.
Yeah, pretty nice.
But I got stopped out at break even on 1.
Okay.
But I've still got one trade open.
If this 15-minute can close like, you know, with a weak bearish body, and the next one breaks the high, then the 30-minute is also breaking the high in the second half. That's pretty good to continue up with volume. Else,
yeah,
we might be seeing a retest or like a high formed and then support to retest the high.
Beitula sent a chart in the chat. It's a pretty good trade, but I don't. What are these candles? Can someone explain me? Why is the color different?
He pays attention to bearish engulfing, like engulfing candles.
Okay.
Like, so you see like this candle, bearish engulfing the bullish one. So.
But he makes them the colorist himself or automatically?
No, it's an indicator.
Oh.
Yeah, because I find bullish, like engulfing patterns, I think they're the strongest pattern in the market.
Yeah. But this one is an engulfing candle and it just bang down.
Yeah. Well, you need context.
Yeah.
The right context.
Yeah.
Like what I found with engulfing patterns, let me draw this real quick, is that let's say you have like a bearish candle going down, and then you know the next candle basically goes up and engulfs the candle. What I found is that the next candle oftentimes does like a liquidity grab to this
level.
Yeah, to that level, and then forms like bullish body.
Yeah.
Like so this whole area over here becomes like a demand zone, and you can see this, you can see it playing out over here.
Yeah, right here. Yeah, you see this candle, then engulfing candle, retest at this level, then
retested this like line over here.
Yeah.
If you look on the gold daily chart, that's exactly what happened today as well. We have engulfing pattern, and it's you know, retesting this level, so there's probably a liquidity wick, and then today we might see like
bullish move. Yeah.
So if you want to use dynamic risk, or you want to get good entries and you see a bullish engulfing candle, just wait for the, you know, the neckline or whatever to be retested. Gold is still in the range. Let's see if it can break below, break above, do something.
Hey guys, morning.
Good morning.
May I ask you something?
Sure.
Does anyone use master account to multiple account?
I used to do that.
Master what?
Master account. I mean, you open in a one account, but 5 accounts follows it.
Yeah, copy trading, right?
Yeah.
How we can set that? I literally no idea, and my relatives want me to trade for them.
Oh, be careful with that.
Yeah, please. I used to do that. I used to swing trade, and I used to like I took on some investors, clients. But if you want a good copy trader, it's this one. But I mean, man, you really don't want to get into that unless you're like super consistent.
They're gonna be pissed at you when you blow their money.
Oh yeah, man, trust.
They you know, they don't understand if you lose their money.
Oh, I get it. I get it. Oh, thanks.
I think how long have you been trading?
like 5 or 6 years, but
Okay.
I've started very little. I'm still a student, but I'm now consistent.
Okay. Okay.
The last question, how is the slippage? I mean, how many seconds delaying?
From my experience, it was rather like instant.
Oh, okay, okay.
Like if you execute, there might be like a 0.0, there's like maybe 1-2 micropip delay.
Oh, that's affordable.
Yeah,
Yeah.
pretty okay.
Oh, thanks a lot.
Yeah, happy to help. Man, I remember when I used to swing trade. All right, so like my swing trading strategy, I had like 60+% win rate, and I was like, I did some math. You know, my smart ass self. I did some math, and I'm like, okay, you know what? If I'm winning 60+% of the time, and then I could technically risk 25% of the account, since statistically I should be winning at least 3 out of the 4 trades I take, right? So I started risking 25% of the 25% of accounts, and for the first 3 months it actually went well. First month I made like I think 50%, and then some
Yeah.
guy was like, "Oh wow, could you do that on my account too?" I'm like, "I guess, yeah. If you give me like 30% of the profits, why not?" Yeah. And then pretty soon I had I actually had like fucking 7 people managing 7 accounts, but the people that joined in the first 3 months, they were all good. They were all in profits. Like at least 60% were they were all in profits of at least 60%. But it's the people that joined
After.
towards the later end where I started going in drawdown. I started taking losses. My emotions got to me at that point. Those ones, they didn't do so well.
What did they say to you when that happened?
Yeah, they weren't so happy. They were like, "Oh, what are all these losses about? What's going on?" I'm like, "Oh yeah, like the markets are going through the corona madness, and I deviated away from the plan because my plan didn't give me any trade for a whole month." And I'm like, "Well, shit, I kind of want to make some income with commissions, so let's see what I can do by winging it." And then I started winging it, and yeah,
Things went south.
yeah, then it went south indeed.
It is what it
With that,
is.
I mean, like, I don't know how you did it, Master P. Like, as soon as, because it's my money right now, I don't feel obligated to anything, right?
Mhm.
But as soon as I like even think about other people's money, then I'm like, oh,
Yeah.
It's a different
the
story.
burden is a lot heavier.
Oh
Yeah.
Because I have
It
burnt
turned-
other people's money in the past,
Mhm.
and that's the worst feeling, especially because they trusted you with their hard-earned money, and like when you do any sort of investment and it turns out to be a scam or whatever,
Yeah.
then that you can't sleep at night, really, right?
Yeah.
None of your you didn't really benefit from it.
No, 30%. What's that?
Stop
Yeah,
that.
if they have like $100,000 account, 100%. You could make some money off it. But if they have a lot, like the same account size or a lower account size, you're still working for that money. So I think it's better just to trade your own money. Like fuck all them, fuck all their money.
So this
Don't need their money.
15 minute is closing in a minute as well, so
Yeah, I
keep
saw.
that in mind. Yeah, because I had
Oh,
basically.
Oh damn!
It's coming back hard.
Yeah, coming back real hard.
Don't hit my
You know
baby.
what I would like to see? What would be a good situation if the next 15 minute just closed above here, above this level, then we could take buys further up, and then the 30-minute just closes a bit doji like, and then at the breakout is high, you could just enter.
Yeah, I'm looking at the 5-minute structure. I don't think I like the break of the high that much because it's showing rejections and it's showing further downside.
Yeah, okay. Maybe a retest now.
Yeah, we'll see.
Who knows?
Stopped out on both my trades. I wonder if I would take another one if it breaks that 15-minute high.
Looks pretty nice though.
42.
Yeah, that's pretty good actually.
If it breaks 411, you know,
Yeah.
it might just fly to 5 something. New 15 just opened. Yeah, because it's gonna break that level to 30 minutes. It's gonna fully break it. So didn't break it yet. Still below. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for. If that's gonna happen.
Master Pete, correct me if I'm wrong, yeah? You know what the guy was saying with managing multiple accounts? Is that what like MAM accounts are?
Yeah, I know brokers have that kind of stuff, or you have like the MAM, but I didn't look into it. I don't know how that works.
I same, because like when I was like trying to find out which broker offers what, there's always that MAM features.
Yeah.
I'm just like, yo, what's this?
Yeah, I think that's like a really more professional way of going about it.
Right. Or some people use eTools, man.
Yeah, true.
Spread there is crazy, bro.
Hello, guys.
Hello.
Hey, morning.
Sorry, man.
You know, I think if we do get a trade today, I think it's going to be a very good runner, because then the daily should continue to retest the high. The weekly should fill the wick.
Thinking same now.
So probably a good day to leave a runner.
This is what we were talking yesterday. 15 minutes, looking like a support. But if the half an hour closes like how it is right at this moment in time, then the next bullish candle after that is a buy.
Yeah.
And it's a better confirmation because it's a half an hour.
Yeah, that's true. And then we're at London open volume as well.
Exactly.
In 10 minutes.
I mean, it's still basing the entry on breaking this high.
Mm.
Or waiting for the close.
No, still break of the high, I think.
But I would like this 15-minute level to be respected, though. This. Is there anything happening on gold? Oh, still same range.
Still waiting for it to break below.
Yeah. If it breaks below here and it closes down these levels, looks pretty sick. I would prefer this 15-minute closing bearish, which means this 30-minute is, closing weak bearish. I mean, the 15 closing bullish.
Yeah.
Like, even though it's small, it's just bullish. So it made some sort of a support right here.
I'll be right back.
Yeah, sure. Let's see what's gonna do.
Maybe since if the last 15 minute, if this 15-minute closes bullish, wouldn't it make sense to take a buy based on the 1 hour?
Yeah, you could.
Well, yeah, then
But
you
I
got
don't.
24
Still, that
stop
30-minute
loss.
candle is not in our favor, so I'm waiting for that high to break. Personally.
Yeah, because I see the 1 hour is closing above. It has a wick, and the 15-minute is closing bullish, creating support to fill that wick. So I think the probability of breaking the high is already, if this candle 15-minute closes rather strong how it is now, then I think there's a pretty good probability that we're gonna fill the wick. So
Yeah,
maybe
for me, the
let's-
only issue is that I made this mistake before buying on the 30-minute bearish candle, so I'm not gonna do that.
yeah, I might do like 50% position and then double my position once it breaks the high.
Yeah, that's a better idea to do.
It's like dynamic entry sort of.
Yeah.
And leave my first position, the good entry one, to like as a runner.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah, let's see.
With that, all the time frames are in alignment apart from 30 minutes, like
Exactly.
Yeah,
4-hour
that's true.
Mm-hmm.
daily.
And so also there's like this structure. Basically, the best time frame to use is 4 times lower. So like for the if you want good entries on the 1 hour, then you can use the 15-minute because I don't know why, but there's just this law that if you divide a time frame by 4, then that's the best execute. Like the 4 hour, if you divide that by 4, then the 1 hour is the best execution for 4 hour.
Master P.
Yeah. Yeah, Marcos. Oh, I think your microphone cut off or something. I don't hear you.
Okay. You hear me now?
Yeah, I can
Yeah.
hear you now.
You catch GJ buy, so you are waiting for break the high.
Waiting.
Yeah, I haven't taken a trade yet on GJ. I had to
But
break even on gold.
I was thinking to enter dynamic, like enter a small position now.
I think it's
Stop loss.
it's better to wait 2 minutes for this candle to close and then take your first entry and then take the second one based on price breaking the high. But yeah,
Exactly. So I'm gonna, let's see, it's closing in a minute. I think because the 1 hour is closing above, we've got clean traffic left. 30-minute is closing weak bearish. It's a range to be filled. 15-minute is creating support.
or as free traffic,
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
daily
take
free traffic.
50% position over here, and then once it breaks the high, I'm gonna add full position.
Yeah.
By over here, I mean once this candle closes, of course.
But we could pull back based on the 1 hour fly. Absolutely rocket. How long left? 30 seconds.
First stop is 500, and then
Yeah.
I think continues to the very high of the structure.
Should hit 150 again. But you see now this 15-minute is starting to look rather weak.
Yeah, so yeah.
Break of the high.
Yeah, I do want it to still close bullish, so this is perfect. This is very good. Okay, now you could, but
yeah, I didn't do anything.
watch out, watch out, watch out.
Yeah. It's a delicate situation.
It's just gonna be that 1 hour pullback. But once it starts going up to 410, you could get some nice moves further up. I made a lower wick, so that's good. That's good.
That's my first half.
Yeah, I'm gonna enter at 420 because it made its lower wick, and now it's go up.
Slowly going up.
Magical number for some people.
Yeah, let's see. What we
On goal, I'm expecting to break the low of 4 hour continues to the downside.
Yeah, I'm looking at sells on gold too once it breaks below the range. I was giving sells on gold like when was it? An hour ago, 2 hours ago, but both stopped out at break even. Good.
Yeah, man, 420 is the magical number. Yeah. Let's see what it's gonna do. The 5 minute did create a good support right here. Retested the support on the 5 minute, so maybe it's gonna continue up soon. And it's 15 minute support right now as well, so.
UA breaks the high, I think I see target is 4 mil 4 hour 50, 20 pips. I think we can easily reach the target.
Definitely. And otherwise, if this doesn't happen yet, it would be good if a next 50-minute closes above this level, like 370. Again. First 5 minutes is always trash. Ooh. 5 minute low just got broken. Of a strong candle.
Oh boy.
15 minute low got broken.
It's not looking good.
30 minute low got broken. Well, it's a high volume candle anyway, so it could just reverse up.
Yeah, the later it breaks the high, the better.
Yeah. But not like 30 minutes later.
Yeah.
It has to be in like 10 minutes now, 10, 15 minutes for it to happen.
Yeah, I think it's normal. I can go to 200 and then retest and go to the upside.
That could be the thing as well I was looking for.
if this hour close inside the range again, 4 hour on GA start flipping into bearish again, I think we can go to 200. I also consider this.
Yeah.
My runner got taken out.
Will that dampen down the upside? That retrace. You
know what? I'm still like bullish on this because that 200 level, was a strong resistance, right? So this price has broken, come back into the zone, like just to test it.
Yeah. There's some guys probably taking buys right now. Like
yeah, but I need a bullish candle, man.
Yeah.
Because that's how I, like I've burnt myself previously. So if I get a bullish candle, then we can get that 400 level tested, as well as the 600 level as well.
Yeah, man.
So coming back down to break, retest, and go.
Yeah, it's really nothing until it breaks 420.
The challenge is, the difficult bit is just waiting.
Yeah, for me, I'm also consider if 1 hour, if close inside the range is a fake out on the 1 hour.
Right.
Price maybe can continue to the downside on GA, but we'll see.
If you look at the 1 hour price movement, and if you're just purely looking at structure, it's really nice, higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows. Just coming back, touch that previous higher high, and potentially go up. Just purely looking at it from a price structure.
Yeah.
In the hour.
If this 15 minutes gonna close above 300, it means this 15-minute support is gonna be respected. And this was just all in a retest.
Yeah, gold is pushing right now.
Yeah.
If breaks, oh yeah.
Oh damn.
Yeah.
I was on mute. Marcos, as soon as you said gold was breaking down, I looked at gold chart and like, shit, I missed it by like 30 seconds.
We could wait for this 15-minute close.
Yeah, I have 2 positions on gold right now. I think if breaks have a strong break of this low, I think we can go easily to 20 or 21. I think we can reach the low of the target and
Yeah.
4-hour
Oh.
week.
Yeah, it's
Let's
gone.
see. It's pushing right now.
Where did
Son
you
of-
enter, Marcos?
I have an enter at 32.58 and the other 32.21.
Oh, GJ, guys. Take a look at GJ.
Yeah.
But yeah, man, that gold entry, that's exactly what I was expecting at like 7:30, 7:15. That's why I closed them at break even, because I just
Yeah.
expected it to pump straight down. But
Oh,
goddamn it.
damn.
Now
You're like
it's pushing.
32.50. That's 35 pips right there, called by Marcos.
Yeah.
Said it.
Now I close my first position and I close 50% of my second and have a runner right now.
But why did you get in already when it broke this low while it was still in the range? I just wanna.
Because if you look at 4-hour at half time frame, 4-hour still varies. Prices
It has a low to retest.
rejecting the low, and
Yeah.
I expecting to push hard to fill 4-hour week. I think the target of my runner is 21.30. I expect that. So goal always retest the previous highs and then push very hard.
Oh, son of a bitch. I should have said an alert. I literally, God. I'm not going to get over this for the rest of the day.
Just like me yesterday.
Yeah.
You know what's really funny? I entered 2 paper trades today on Tradingview, and both are fucking winners. Why is it so hard to convert that shit to the live account?
Because you don't need to
I
paper
know, right?
trade. Just take a real trade.
I actually know the answer, but
oh, look at that 15 on GJ. It's respecting the 15-minute support.
Yeah.
Go right here. So
I think if the next one starts breaking 390, you can get early entries, but probably best to wait for 420. Blaze it.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for 420. Definitely gonna wait for 420.
Damn, but man, gold, that's was anticipating that. But
yeah, I think on goal right now, if someone is on goal, maybe I secure some profit because 15-minute candle is about to close. We expect a little retrace on goal and then can break this candle and continues to the downside.
Yeah, you should have mentioned it like a minute earlier.
Call out the trades, Marcus. I want some gold money as well.
Yeah, because I didn't set any alert. So like once it closed below, I had no clue. And then I heard Marcos saying he was in a gold sell. And I'm like, oh, I flipped over and I see the candle is down 15 pips in 30 seconds. I'm like, oh, man.
Yeah, so the 15-minute just closed below it by 2 micro pips. But I'd still think it respected this level. So
yeah, now the 30-minute is going to break in the second half, which is even better. So
yeah,
it's okay.
But I do want this 30-minute to start flipping soon, because I don't want it to be bearish.
Mm-hmm.
It has to start going bullish with that with the other 15-minute.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, gold's going, man. Gold's off. Do you only have a runner left, or still your full position, Marcos?
No, I have a runner. I close my first position and 50% of my second position, and I have a runner.
Man, just catch 44 pips.
Yeah.
How much did you make? 5%?
10%.
I have to check it.
Hey, Marcus.
Yeah.
You know, when you entered in gold, yeah, did you enter it manually or break off structure through sell stop?
I look at the range.
Uh-huh.
I look. My first look is at high time frames, and 4 hour time frame on gold. This 4 hour candle is always was bearish. If you look at the lower time frame, price
Yeah.
makes low, makes high, makes low, makes high, but 4 hour is always bearish. So for me, all my bias is taking sells.
Mhm.
And when, if you look at 50-minute, when breaks the low of the 50-minute, I start enter sells because I expect a hard push to the downside.
Yeah, and you see that 1 hour rejecting right here.
Yeah.
I think a second entry could have been
Yeah.
once the 1 hour low got broken.
Yeah.
For maybe a safer entry for some people. Just
Yeah.
like 50% here, and on the 1 hour 50%, and just bang on down. But stop loss wouldn't even been that big. Like 16, 17 pips on gold is not much.
My stop when I enter the trades, my stop loss was at 35.92 and the very low of 1 hour candlestick. And when I start pushing down, I move my stop loss to a small stop loss. Then now I'm on break even.
Very nice.
Hey, Marcus, there was a question in the chat about gold, and I'm actually also curious about it. Does gold move at specific times? Like, you know, GJ has moves at 9 o'clock with the London Open.
Yeah.
Does gold also because move at specific times, or because from what I see, it moves when there's a confirmation, then it moves. It doesn't like move at a time. It just moves whenever there's a confirmation, right?
Yeah. I think moves gold always moves because breaks structure on the lower time frames.
Yeah.
I don't expect to close 50-minute time frame or the last 10 minutes of 1 hour time frame. I always looking at a break of the structure on lower time frames. Always looking on high time frames. That is all my global idea. But when on lower time frame start breaking certain levels for me, key levels, I start enter trades. If the goes in my direction, I secure some profit at the low of the range for me. And if goes against me, I start closing partials when breaks on 5 minutes structure.
That's pretty nice.
I see. So
30
yeah,
minutes just flipped.
Yeah, exactly. So it's like I thought it just moves when it moves.
I would personally, if I get in, have my stops below the 15-minute candle, or just below that 15-minute support. You know what would be good too, if like 10 minutes later, this 30 minutes candle starts closing bullish just above this resistance. That would be insane.
See, my stop loss will be below this 15-minute over here.
Where?
Below the 15-minute on GJ.
Yeah, right here. 280.
Yeah. Take profit, I think I'll put it like 700.
Yeah, I got 630 based on some time frames.
Yeah, actually, I'm gonna take a look at where I should place the take profit later.
An hour looks so nice on GA.
Yeah, 1 hour looks very good if it just pushes up and breaks it.
5-minute closed at no wick.
Oh yeah. Oh well. Let's see what's gonna happen. I don't really mind about those small flaws in the minor time frames, because it's just noise at the end of the day.
Yeah.
What would be fun if you wait 9 minutes for this 30-minute candle just close bullish above this resistance, and then it's gonna be savage buys.
That retest week, 149 to
100% people got it there. 100%. Nick, that's something Nick would do probably.
like I have
Retest back.
set up hanging above my display, saying "Enter it when you see it." I didn't.
Maybe on GJ I enter a paper trade. I count the buys before, so
Yeah.
I don't want.
How much
to enter
percent
it.
do you make today, Marcus?
I don't know. Have to check.
Always plussing.
Yeah, now goal is pushing, I think, 4 hour, maybe feel 4 hour week, but I think can react to the week on left on the of Berry's 4 hour week.
Yeah.
So maybe I close 50% of my runner on this position, put my TP at the very low of 4 hour week and see what happens.
Why am I not in this move?
What move?
On gold.
Gold.
I should be in it once that fight.
Oh damn! Oh damn! Off.
Yeah.
It's
Man.
absolutely off.
I should have set some sort of
56 pips right there.
But you know, you make nice trades every day. If you miss one trade, doesn't matter. No.
Yeah, but I missed it because like I wasn't looking at it. I didn't know it broke below. Shit.
One thing
well.
I make is put alarms on certain levels on the price, and when hit the alarm, I start looking.
Yeah, I should have done that, but I forgot.
Yo, look at that. TJ. Getting bearish now again.
Doesn't know what it wants to do.
No. Hopefully, people didn't get in on this 15-minute break.
No.
If you got in based on that liquidity grab right there, you already got 10 pips plus.
Yeah.
How savage would it have been this entry if you got in right here?
Yeah. Good 12, 30 pips.
Yeah. I was actually looking at that, but, you know, I got burnt by it yesterday.
The only fear I have on GJ, if you look at 4 hour, maybe this break of the high can be the week of the 4 hour.
Yeah.
If don't breaks again, maybe we can go to the downside on GA to retest the low of 4 hour. Because needs 1 hour and a half to close 4 hour. If you look at to the left, GA now is on resistant on 4 hour.
Yeah.
It can be a big week to the upside.
I'm fine if it's a no trade day today. Yeah. No issue. I might start looking at gold again. just
why
it
not?
moves. It moves when it wants to move. It's gonna move, and it's not like GJ always trying to make up your mind.
Yeah.
Just very annoying.
Actually, I think
Yeah,
it was.
you enter gold.
Yeah, it's
He
so
said
easy.
that. Oh, sorry.
What do you say?
Oh, go ahead.
Yeah, Ted said that if you want to learn about gold, you should simulate the week from the 15th February. This year, he said that it acted like very characteristic in that week.
Okay.
I wrote that down, so maybe it's of need for anybody.
Yeah, that's good advice for people that are wanting to trade gold.
Wait, what happened 15 February?
Probably a good
No,
week, good movement.
Yeah,
Mm.
yeah. He just said that week was nice in gold.
Mm.
Yeah, but the thing is, you're not gonna get those weeks as always, so you're learning the perfect week.
Mm-hmm.
So. Look at that. If you've got this price close like that in Asian session, just flying. Going actually to the wrong time frame.
I guess
Shit.
if the 5-minute forms a low and then a resistance on gold, could be another move down.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's also rather, if you can manage risk on GJ, then you can manage risk on gold as well. Like,
Yeah.
especially
Just
how impatient
need to
we
just use half my normal lot size because the target's gonna be bigger, stop loss gonna be bigger.
Yeah,
So it's all good, you know.
yeah, exactly. You just really got to look at the 5-minute and things like that. That's the only difference. But like
Yeah, I
the
traded
first,
gold before and I liked it, but
yeah,
then I
exactly.
started to trade GJ, and GJ can really fuck with your mind. That's what it's been doing with me the past 2 months. So
Yeah, because like if it doesn't move in 2 minutes, then it's probably not gonna move at all. Like
yeah,
my
but just as now, it went down a bit, goes up, and then it's like, oh no, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna go back, and then we're gonna go
Yeah.
back up, and then that annoys me so much sometimes.
Yeah, like the 2 trades I took this morning, they went, they had no drawdown. They went like 5 pips in profit, and then once they started coming back to break even, I just closed full positions because it should have moved by then. And if you look on the 5-minute right here, when the moves happened, the 5-minute closed below, and the next one just went down with no top wick. And if I look at the 1-minute, it was literally a one in the first 2 minutes of the candle open, price already dropped 23 pips. That's gold for you. If it doesn't move in the...
It's gone, and that's what you said. If it has a confirmation to move, it's gonna move. It's not
Yeah.
gonna,
It doesn't
do some
move at like
stupid movement.
specific times. It just moves when a level breaks.
Yeah.
And if it doesn't move in like 1-2 minutes of you being in that entry, then it's probably just not gonna happen. That's how I go about it.
Probably I close everything right now. But
And the thing is, you don't actually. Yeah, go ahead, Marco. Sorry.
no, I say probably I close everything on gold right now. Let's
Okay.
see
Yeah.
what happens.
But
Candle
still,
run.
that's crazy drop right there. That's a crazy drop. 58 pips. But when your entry, it's like 56, still 50s, 57. It's pretty nice. A new 30-minute just opened, closed bearish. So maybe we could form a support, like right here, and
then not have enough range to retest the high.
Yep. Or have a 15-minute close right here in between, and then the next 15 close above, drops below the 15, breaking the high and then back. But that's all perfect situation, you know?
Yeah, let's just see if 1 hour can break the high in the second half over here.
Yeah. Because 1 hour is still looking good at the end of the day.
Yeah, and we didn't have a candle closing back in the range as well, so it's still valid. Except the stop loss is we're gonna have to get a little creative because it's gonna be like 15 pips at the low of this 15-minute.
Yeah.
Probably if gold breaks this 5-minute low, it's gonna continue downtown to 1720. But I'm not gonna execute on that because it's not what I wanted to execute.
Yeah.
Then I'm kind of like chasing the move.
Yeah, that's the thing as well.
GJ's entries above 420.
Yep.
That's all I'm looking at right now.
Yeah, but the only thing is stop loss is gonna be pretty big right now. That's the only thing I'm bothered about. But maybe fixed stop loss is gonna be okay. Oh.
So with that, with the stop loss in mind, even if you look at like 15 minutes, 5 minutes,
Still huge.
it's still
Else,
like
another situation that you can wait for if you don't want to take a impulse entry is wait for the 5-minute to close above like 149, 380. Because then you're still executing once it breaks the high, but then you at least have some sort of candle closing confirmation. You can manage risk and things like that.
Yeah. Yeah, this 5 minutes gonna close strong anyways, probably. But I rather wanted to close at like 330, and then the next one to go further up, so I can have my stops at 330.
Would you think about lowering your lot size
I was thinking about it.
to manage that stop loss? Because
Or maybe just fix stop. I don't know yet. I'm gonna make a smaller loss.
adjustments.
If you look at for 1 hour on GJ, start breaking the previous high, I think it's an amazing trade to the upside.
Yeah, 100%. 100%. Yeah, get this 5 minute to close right here, and the next one further up. Never mind, don't put that far back, GJ, come on. Yeah, it's really moving a bit.
I think we can push because gold is pushing again to the downside. I think GJ can push to the upside. Sometimes happen.
Five-minute just closed bearish, very close to the 5-minute support on gold. I think once 1726, 80, 90 breaks, you could definitely take a further sell on down on gold.
Yeah, I'd take a paper trade over there. But if I was if I had took it from the top, then I'd leverage some profits again to enter another trade down there.
Okay, guys, this is nice because the 5-minute just made a new level to manage risk on 320. Exactly. But the thing is, I already want to be out at 320 if it goes down. Yeah. So,
if I don't have a position on gold and I want to enter gold right now, I expect to retest the very high of the structure at 30.20, I think, this area. And if start continues to the downside, I enter sales. Enter sales right now, I think is a little risky on gold.
Mhm.
Okay, yeah. You know what would be good as well? See if GJ, the 15 minutes starts closing above this support here,
Mhm.
340, and then the next one goes up, and you could get your stops below the current candle.
You know, it'd be good to see break above 420.
That's right. That's right. It is what it is.
Yeah, we keep like saying what if, but
Yeah, what
if we can just
Just-
break 420, that's
Yeah,
enough.
can we just break it and then all good situations, all nice.
Mhm.
Nice.
Who's playing the bongos with their microphone over
I
here?
got no idea.
Sorry, it's my I'm writing
Oh, okay.
On the
No
chart.
worries.
on paper
Yeah, on the paper chart.
on my
Right.
trading diary.
Nice. Your friend is still in at like 300, right, Master?
I have no clue what he's doing. I should ask him.
Imagine he got in right here and everything starts going downtown.
Yeah.
That'd be fuck up. Well, for GJ buys, where your stop loss gonna be, Mohammed? It depends. Like if this 15-minute closes like 340, you could have it on the current candle, and otherwise, I think, yeah, just have a fixed one of 10 pips, and then just manage risk when price starts going in, drawdown. You could use 280. I think it's 260 now. Moved. 260 would be a good stop, but personally, that's a stop's gonna be too big for me for now. That's gonna be 15, 16 pips. It's okay. It's not bad, but based on a uh, well then based on an impulsive
Risk.
entry,
Oh.
you don't want a big stop. Like based on a normal entry, yeah, 15 stop is okay, but impulsive, you don't want price to go that deep down again. It doesn't make any sense for an impulsive entry to go into drawdown. The 5 minute just closed bearish. Sort of like ranging. Look, this is gonna be my my first target. What was it again? What was it looking at? Yeah, on the daily. Yo, master. Hey, master. Probably going first.
Oh, did you call me?
Yeah, I was looking for this target. That's my first target on daily time frame with GJ buys, or
Yeah,
final target.
yeah, I was looking at that too. I think from what we've seen in the past, if like this 1 hour closes bearish like this, and then we start breaking the highs, this could become like a intraday swing trade going into New York.
Okay.
Because I think if we do continue bullish, then we can tap that target you said, but also fill part of the daily wicks.
Yeah. 15-minute looking good.
Hey, Marcus.
Yeah, I was
Yeah.
looking.
You know, with gold, yeah, if it breaks, I know this like for you it may be a bit over trading, but just potential for future setups. Just to keep that in mind. 15 minutes gold, break off that wick. Would
Yeah,
that be
I
a
was looking
potential
at the
sell?
same. Yeah, I just I said
Like
that
for
before.
paper trading reasons, you know.
Yeah.
Are you? Is that your paper trading reason as well, Luke? Like just for paper
Well,
trading reasons?
Marcus just said it wasn't the best idea, right?
I'm paper trading that too.
15 pip,
Yeah,
16
for
pips.
me, I expect gold to retest the low of the week and then go to the upside. And if want to break the low, I think we can see in the next 30-minute candlestick. I think we can break the low of this week. But on gold, looking at lower time frame, I expect to retest the very high of the structure and then a hard push to the downside to fill 4-hour wick.
Okay, yeah.
Is what I'm expecting. But I have a small runner, so I don't enter. If breaks the very low of the candle, I don't enter. I close my position and call it a day.
That's your runner. It becomes your runner's job to hit 1720.
Yeah.
I mean, if you're very aggressive, you can maybe leverage profits over there, but entering a brand new position is risky.
I have my stop loss at 29.18, the lower of the structure. It hits, I have a small profit on this runner.
That's nice.
15 minutes is about to close in 12 seconds. So let's see. Pretty much that 5-minute on gold is respecting that 5-minute support for now. But maybe it's gonna push down soon. Who knows? 5-minute on GT8 printed bearish. But rejected a bit, so maybe you could see some upside potential.
Got like 0.01 lot in gold.
Don't test trade, man. Don't do any test
No.
trades. Fuck with your mind.
It's in like 20, 25, 21, 22 pips profit right now.
Oh,
like,
okay.
Earlier, from earlier break.
Let's see. I used to do test trading. It's fucking trash to do.
Yeah.
Everyone needs to stay out of that. Test
I
trading.
wish I was able to manage it, you know, but I took like such a small lot.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna have to leave it out.
You know what I would like to see with this 30-minute candle is just close up top here in this region, then the next one to just blow. But based on the 1-hour candle, we might see retrace again and this and that. Okay, it's gonna break in those 5-minute lows right here. I'm gonna paper trade it once it breaks like 90. Expecting it to go down to 21st as 24 as first target. Stops of 15, 13 pips. Paper trade.
Oh, I was on mute again. Damn. I was saying if GJ starts to break the highs now, it's rather questionable, don't you think?
Yeah. No. It's like if it goes, but 100%. But no. I mean, it did.
Yeah.
What would be ideal situation right now is that this 30-minute candle is gonna close above 370, breaking this resistance, creating a support, and then just to pull further up. And the 1 hour is still bullish. Everything is still pointing bullish at that moment. So I think that's the perfect situation, but we ain't getting no perfect situation from GJ. Oh. In a
If
bit.
it breaks the high, I put my TP at 541. I think it's a nice TP.
Okay. Yeah.
TJ is really teasing us today.
It's really, really teasing. It's like, oh, I'm going up. No, I'm going down. No, I'm going up again. No, I'm not going down. I'm going up. No, 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 no. We're going down again. Up. No, no.
Starting to run up for me. Need to go.
Yeah, price didn't break the low, so no paper trade for me right there.
Took that dumb trade inside the range.
2-time GJ stopped me out. Okay. You need to send in the chart because I can't show the file on the stream. So send in like the last number, last things of the chart because I can't open the file and show it on the.
Oh, you're looking for cryptocurrency.
Oh no, a couple of my friends are in this, so I was just looking at it.
I actually added like a lot 3 days ago to my crypto portfolio.
Yeah, you told me. everything or nothing.
Yeah. Yeah, but it's risk free, right?
I don't know if it's risk free.
No, like there's no money in it. Like my return on investment is already back, so
Oh, okay, yeah,
all the money that's in it wasn't there before.
yeah, okay, that's good.
Yeah. Of course, it's not risk free. Definitely not.
I mean, it's still money that you own. I mean,
Of course.
so at the end of the day, it's just the money you earned, and if you lose it, still risky.
As
But
you would say.
what did you invest in?
I'm in one second. Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, Dash, Bitcoin Cash, and Ethereum Classic.
Okay.
My biggest position is XRP, of course.
XRP biggest position.
Yeah, by far.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You got a big position on Bitcoin as well.
Yeah, but that's out, right?
You took it fully out?
Yeah.
At what price?
Pretty at the top, like 52,000.
Okay. Euros?
Dollar.
Dollars, okay. But you took literally everything out, all of it.
Yeah, I took everything out, like took my return on investment, and all the rest went into the altcoins.
Damn.
Hey, look, can we see the weekly or the monthly on Bitcoin? Maybe there's some sort of support for him.
Yeah.
I think
flying.
you can. I think basically any pullback that has a support formed on Bitcoin, you can just take a buy, especially on the weekly.
Yeah, support form is a buy position. Now support forming. Retest the high. Very nice. But still, I don't trade crypto.
Gold is my new crypto over here. 20 pips in 1 minute.
Whoa, look at that drop on US30.
Look at that chart I just sent.
29,000. The 19, that's a 10,000
Oh, nice.
drop. Look at this, 29K,
That's a lot.
18K.
You should look at the chart Tim sent. It's pretty interesting.
Like I'm not basing my trading off of this, but it's pretty interesting to see. Like to the left, you have the bull run 2017.
Oh
and
yeah,
now this
same situation. If that kind of closes like about there.
Yeah. And look at that, like.
Oh yeah, it's exactly the same.
Yeah.
What the hell? History repeats itself.
Yeah,
so
that's crazy.
Pretty sure that it's going to rise. Like I would say, Bitcoin is going to top out at like 80,000, 75,000.
Okay. I was looking at this level when it came all the way down to like 4,000. I was like, am I gonna buy one or not? And I didn't.
Bad decision.
Bad decision.
But yeah.
Would have been rich now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would probably cash it out on 20 already. So
that's it.
I would have. I probably didn't have the balls to keep it all the way up to 50.
All the people that say, "Oh my God, I wish I bought Bitcoin at like $2."
They're all out in 100.
They would have been out 100 times already.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Doesn't make sense.
That doesn't count.
You don't 100%. If it's at 20, you know, and you're in at 4, you got 16K profit. You're gonna go out 100%. Or you're like the Bitcoin preaching to Bitcoin that's gonna fly like to whatever price you want it to be. But personally, if I was in at 4K, you know, 20K would be my target to be out, just to leave. Even though it went twice as high, blah blah, or maybe leave some run. But at the end of the day,
we are way too distracted today, guys.
Yeah,
I think GJ's gonna. I think
do nothing.
I think sales are becoming more probable in GJ.
Yeah, but
if this was Raja, he'd take a sell on the break of that low.
Think so?
He's been doing that a lot lately. Yeah. New York has been doing the retracement of London. So if this was like New York session, Roger was opening up his stream, he'd be like, "All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm in sell position."
Full margin. Guys on the Zoom, still have a couple of likes left. Come on, just like it. You know, for free.
Got like 8 likes left over here.
Yeah, we had more. There were 30 people, 30 plus people in the Zoom today. So 50 likes.
Yeah, previous zone is probably too close for him. That's also true.
You know, why Nick isn't on?
Why?
He's playing Apex with his friend.
Oh.
He said he's addicted now. He's playing Apex full time.
While trading.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Is that like a new battleground or something? Apex?
No, it's pretty old already, but it's free.
Mm.
It's this. You never played it?
No, actually, it looks like Borderlands.
This. It's like you know, you drop in a map and you just need to kill everyone.
Yeah, like PUBG.
Yeah, it's pretty fun. I played it before. It's pretty fun. It's
nice.
it's like Fortnite but different. Pretty fun, but I didn't like it that much because it takes ages to kill someone. So I'd rather play someone else if I play something. Yeah, it's looking like a no trade day, probably.
Yeah.
Oh, it just broke the low. Damn.
If it closes like this in 1 minute, looks pretty good.
Yeah. Then my paper trade gonna be active. Yo, look at GJ. Breaking the low.
I'm respecting the level.
Yeah, I just don't want to get him back in this bullshit range.
It's the second opportunity to get the perfect long entry.
Yeah.
I mean, JJ is just in a really big higher time frame range on the 4 hour. It's like 100 pip range.
Yeah.
There's not.
I just want some full margin buys. Come on.
This today, GJ has been really difficult, man.
Yeah, it's been too difficult. You know, this breakout move could have been catched by taking a buy stop or, you know, impulsive entry above the 4 hour candle high. That was a really, really good trade for the people that took that. And
30-minute closed.
Yeah. Closed, rejecting.
Basically, formula perfect break and retest so far.
Yeah, if it closed now at 280, we could retest the level. No, too much traffic in the 15. Like
Yeah,
pretty
I
much
think
ranging. Sideways barcode.
we need a candle to close above at this point because impulse entries, there's way too many rejections now.
Yeah.
1, 2, 6 rejections.
Yeah.
But again, the biases are a lot stronger than sells, just because it's all these candles are closing above 200, 149.2. You know.
I think if we don't move bullish in the next hour, then it's not gonna happen until New York.
Yeah.
At least. Yeah, because then this candle is closing above the 4 hour resistance to the left, and that's like the confirmation for New York to continue the push up.
Yeah, this is just nasty movement. There's no volume. Because this one tried to break up, 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 and all of them couldn't. So
No.
that means that there's just not enough volume for us right now.
You know, we are technical traders, right? So, but today, just keep in mind at the back of your head
Yeah,
is
exactly.
big news, man. Like
Yeah.
because here in the UK, everyone's like sitting in the house, like most people are, right?
Waiting for that news to come out.
Just waiting for
Why,
what that news
what's
is
it
gonna
gonna
do.
do?
Man, it's like the annual budget of how the government is gonna spend all its like income, where they're gonna allocate the money, and how much like they're gonna
Yeah,
like give
spend on
to
bullshit.
people. Yeah, exactly. Well, it is like especially this
All
government,
bullshit.
man. Trust me, man.
All bullshit.
But having said that, this is a big news. Just depends how much like, and there was also talks about raising the tax.
Yeah, bro, they need to go away. They're fucking thieves, man.
For
Yeah.
They're just
corporations.
stealing your fucking money.
Yeah.
Bro, you already pay like 50% here in the Netherlands, and you pay groceries on tax on
50%?
groceries. You pay, yeah, if you're in the highest
50%.
bracket.
Is that on income or
if you're in the
corporation?
highest bracket on income, you pay 52% or something.
What's the highest bracket?
That's above like how much? 5,000 or
If you make above 60, above 70,000 a year, you're in
Oh,
the highest
wow.
bracket.
uh,
Then you're
Oh,
in the
wow.
52% bracket. If you're like making minimum wage, it's like 45 is the
yeah,
lowest.
Oh,
but yeah,
wow.
look at this level. I know a lot of people that are in this bracket right here. And if you do a side business, you're in this bracket straight away. So that's not fun. You pay 50%. It's
But
going.
UK has got to be worse than that. Like UK super expensive, I hear.
Yeah, but
No. UK,
the
the highest bracket is 150,000 pounds.
Okay, but the thing is, the thing where it all goes wrong is, yeah, it used to be 52. It's now 49.5. Okay, 49.5. It's still 50%. So, you know, you're doing all the fucking work, you know, and they're just sitting there as your partner, because it's your partner right now, because you're paying them 50%. You know, they're getting all that money for free. They don't have to do shit.
Yeah.
And then
It's not done yet.
It's not done yet. Then you go grocery shopping.
Yeah, go
you
on.
pay tax. You buy a car. You pay tax on the car. You buy you have a house. You pay tax on your house where you're living in. You know.
Take a shit. You pay.
You
tax.
take a shit. No, for real. You pay tax.
You breathe.
You on your car, on insurances. So you pay tax. Everything you pay tax on. So probably 75% of your entire income is going to tax.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna ask you this question. Yeah. Is healthcare free?
No, because we still pay.
Partially,
but we
very
still pay.
accessible.
I still pay healthcare.
No. What do you mean you still pay? Like
we pay. I have to pay like 140 euros a month on healthcare.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh no.
And when the healthcare is good though, 100%. Roberto.
How about medicines? Like medicine, is that free?
I think it's free.
Insurance.
Yeah. I think it's
covered by insurance.
Yeah, covered by insurance. And then once you have something, I have heart problems personally. So once a year, I have
What are you doing in Forex, man, with heart problems?
No, it's not a big issue. It's just
no, I'm messing.
But once a year, I have to go to like one of those special doctors, and every year you have to pay like your what's it called again?
Premium?
No. You have to pay your own risk.
Oh, eigen risico. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Like
okay.
Basically, the insurance will cover most of it, but that you have like your own risks.
On top, like yeah.
On top, you have to pay like 300.
Extra.
I think it depends on your insurance. For me, it's like 350 euros. I have to pay out of my own pocket, and then everything above that, my insurance will cover it.
Yeah.
Okay.
But still, you don't pay anything for healthcare, do you? Or...
you got to pay your excess fee.
Okay. Yeah.
No, in the UK, healthcare is like free, completely free. The only thing you got to pay is £10 for every prescribed medicine. So every time a doctor prescribes you a medicine, it's like just under £10, and that's standard. Whether like the medicine is like worth £2 or whether the medicine is worth like 5,000, doesn't matter. It's all standardized to £10. Like one.
Bye bye, Marcos. Thank you for tuning in, Marcos. You know what's funny? You know what's funny here as well? You pay road tax on your car, right?
Yeah.
You just pay road tax, no problem. And fun fact: if you get your every year, you have to pay tax on the house you live in. Let's say your mortgage paid off, you have to pay a certain amount of money over how much it's worth, how much they think it's worth, and on all the other stuff that's around the house, 100%. But inside there, you have to pay for a road tax as well. So you're paying pretty much, if you have a car, double road tax. You have to. I don't know if you ever seen one of those files with all the stuff in there with like water stuff and all this stuff for the streets, and you just pay road tax again, even though you're paying already for your car alone. You pay at the end of the year, you pay road tax for the road you're pretty much living in front of. So it's just a whole entire scam model, and it's all being accepted by everyone. You know what they do with the money? They do trash things with the money, and they still can't do anything. They don't do anything right. That's the problem.
They waste it.
They waste
They're
it.
not businessmen.
It's so frustrating. You know, just one little. I'm just going to tell you what the UK government did. Yeah, it cost. You know, because of COVID, they gave out 22 billion pounds worth of contract to a company that the government is closely knit with. Yeah, but they sent a rover to Mars for 2 billion pounds. Yeah, okay, but that company failed to deliver that app, like test and trace app. That company just completely failed. Like it's not working at all. Yeah. But guess what? The shareholders are getting like a 30% increase in their dividends this month.
Oh, nice.
That's high.
That company.
30%.
Yeah.
And that 30% is from taxpayers' pockets.
Yeah. And at the end of the day, what I'm asking myself is, you pay 50% tax. Most people do, or 40, 38, 40. That's a lot of tax right there. Why is on everything else tax as well? If you buy a car, there is BPM and the tax itself. Here in the Netherlands, that's half of the car by some cars.
UK's tax low.
I worked at a car dealership for a couple of years now. Not anymore, but I had cars where just the tax was just insane on. You couldn't sell them because the tax was just too high. Like BPM and tax, it's just stupid. And at the end of the day, if you're paying tax already, why do you have to pay tax on anything else? Like, you know, you're paying tax as income. Okay, makes sense. Paying some road tax, okay, makes sense. But the rest, fuck off. You know?
Can I ask, is education free in Netherlands?
Well, sort of. Yeah, it's free. But it depends if you what type of study you do. Like on MBO, it's called. It's sort of free. It depends on how much a student loans you get. You get you know, you get those, you get money from the government. But if your parents earn too much, or they think they earn too much, you only get sort of just not enough, so you have to pay yourself as well. And then if you do, some people get like 300-400 a month, and that's enough. You know, they can spend whatever they want, but you have to finish it. If you don't finish it, you have to pay back. And then on HBO, that's a higher level. Then you have to pay everything yourself. And if you want money, you can get a loan from the government, I think. But you have to pay that back. That's a payback. On MBO, you don't have to pay back.
How about like schools like primary, secondary school, and like sixth form +2 A levels?
I think your parents pay for it. I think so.
No, those are free as well.
Okay.
Good. Like, we've got very good education here in the Netherlands. It's not that, but
depends where you go.
Yeah, definitely. But the thing about paying taxes is that if you're gonna pay taxes, at least if you're paying them in the Netherlands, at least you get to, the roads are well kept, the healthcare is good, education.
Yeah, you know how much money is going through those. I got roundabouts here that cost 15 million. Roundabouts. 15 million. Are you serious?
you go to Italy, man, you're still paying like 45, 50% tax. You know, everything else is also taxed. But in Italy, man, the roads, the roads are barely paved. There's potholes everywhere.
Yeah, there goes your Ferrari front splitter.
Oh no.
Yeah, exactly. So if you're
Oh
gonna pay
no.
taxes, at least you know the country is well kept and things like
Yeah,
that.
that's
But
true.
Italy,
That's
in
true.
Italy, you pay taxes and the money doesn't even go to taking care of the country; it just goes to the corrupt politicians
Yeah.
and stuff.
Yeah,
Uh,
true.
So whatever.
Another thing, I just want to, because like, I just want to understand this, right? How about like crimes? How do you guys feel safe, or like, do
Well,
you guys,
thing is, what I'm seeing
or the
most lately.
police, like, and justice system? What's that like?
Well, what I'm seeing most lately, what I see the police only doing is giving people speeding tickets. That's the only thing I see them fucking doing. Maybe
So literally
someone
there's no
else sees
crime.
someone else, but that's what I see. Speeding tickets. They're standing at the side of the road with cameras. They just you know making people stand still because they're driving too fast or whatever the hell.
Yeah.
That's the only thing I'm seeing. Sometimes they go to somewhere where there's a noise issue or some fights, but
Uh-huh.
at the end of the day, the only thing I'm seeing is they're just collecting the speeding ticket. But that's me. I don't
But
see
like,
anything different than that.
like in terms of like, you guys feel safe, like walking in the night, like
Yeah, I feel so.
going for a
Yeah,
run.
100%.
You don't even think about your safety, do you?
No.
Ah,
I don't. But that's the person.
Right.
That's for the person they himself, because there's streets here that there aren't. No.
Yeah.
No, in
Yeah.
general, I mean, like you, of course, you have like,
Yeah,
dangerous
in
places
general,
everywhere.
I feel safe, 100%.
Right.
But at the end of the day, the police is so. I think it's a bit corrupt because they can go everywhere where someone is speeding. They
Yeah.
take you off the road, this and that, and when you make a big crash, the police ain't coming. You call them, oh no, you have to figure it out yourself. That's really how it goes. That's really how it goes. The police don't come. If you get scammed by someone online or in real life, the police don't come. They don't give a fuck. You send everything you have, all the documents. They probably take a peek at it and just let it go again. They only pull on in for those speeding tickets.
Yeah.
That's the only thing I see them doing. For me personally, maybe someone else see them do different things. No, I don't know, but and you have all the corona things where they have to.
You sound so frustrated, bro.
Yeah, really frustrating sometimes.
Now, I would be as well if tax was like at 50%.
Yeah,
I would be as well.
But on trading, it's only like, how much is it, Master P? It's really low.
4%.
Huh?
It's nothing. It's for like 4%.
No, it's not even 4% because you pay only 30% over the 4%. So it's going to be like 0.81% tax. So that's the golden nugget right there, trading.
But then again, it's not seen
in
as an income.
FX.
Yeah. No, just in investments in general, be it real estate, whatever.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
So that's the only golden nugget to get out. If you work, you pay. If you don't work, well, pretty much working right now, but you don't pay. And it's yeah, they pretty much fixed it that it can't change, but it's gonna change soon probably because they see people make more than 4% interest on their money, so they want to government's not gonna let that do them to themselves, so they're gonna see how much you're gonna make soon, and on that price you're gonna pay money that's gonna not be fun probably.
Oh man. Okay, I understand. Thanks for sharing, guys. That was like really.
Yeah, it's sometimes really frustrating because you see them do a lot of stuff 100%, and they're not bad people, the police. They help you in certain situations as well. But personally, for me and the people around me, the only thing I see them doing is taking speed tickets. It's the only thing, driving on the highway, stopping people. Yeah, there's things they do different as well. They do some other stuff as well, 100%. But most of it is speeding tickets, and I'm like, bro, there's guys stealing stuff at stores or whatever. Look at these people, they're thieves, man. We're not thieves when we drive too fast, right?
Yeah, you're just trying to help the economy by being more productive.
By speeding, yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying to help all the oil companies by just just flying over the highway with
or like
guys, GJ is starting to like break 1 hour highs. But it's ranging, so I think we can wait for a candle to close above.
Yeah, wait
right?
for a 30-minute candle. Close above this level. 370.
15-minute will work too.
Yeah, but the 50-minute is going to be the 30-minute.
Oh yeah. Well, that's like a what do you call it? Touche or
Yeah,
so.
bro. We got 84 subscribers. We gained 4 subscribers today.
Oh, nice.
Or 3. Or
I've,
that's
um,
pretty nice.
I've asked a couple of friends of mine to like
Yeah.
tune in if they can, like, but
Yeah, perfect, man.
yeah.
Thank you, man. You see, this guy Ali, he says in Turkey it's 3 times that expensive. That's 100% true, man. I have so many people from Turkey buying cars from me. They're like, "Oh yeah, it's too expensive there," but it's really too expensive. Like cars in Turkey are insanely expensive, like insane. I saw someone dropping in something right there.
I took a 10-cent buy over here just
Okay.
to as dynamic entry. If it closes above, then I'm gonna add full position. But if it closes below, I close full position. Call it a day. Go home.
Yeah. Makes sense. I'm not gonna
I'm-
use my
Because
big position anymore.
no.
I'm from Nepal, and we bought a Hyundai Tucson or Tucson, however you want to
Yeah.
say it, right?
Yeah.
In terms of pounds, like brand new from the showroom, it would cost about 35,000 pounds, right? Right.
Yeah.
But in Nepal, it cost me, with the pound equivalent, it cost me 125,000 pounds,
Okay.
just because of the tax. Just because of the tax.
Okay.
Yeah, it's crazy. And the roads are like how Masterpiece said, it's in Italy. Maybe it's 10 times less. You can't drive it. I haven't gone above 50 kilometers per hour in that car when I was in Nepal driving.
I'm in with a smaller position as well.
Okay, nice. Yeah,
22.
because
And two. Going to close.
Let's go, GJ. Let's go.
Going to close 50% when it comes back into the range.
Yeah, I'm gonna put my auto break even closer at 6 pips. Don't. Ah.
I have my partial TP. That's like that acts as my auto break even as well. As soon as that triggers, my stop loss goes to break even.
Yeah. Stop losses.
Yeah, you know the like lower time frames were ranging, so
Yeah. I got my stop loss below the 5-minute. Current 5-minute.
yeah.
Oh.
Okay, that's
going on.
pretty good.
Yeah. So.
Yeah,
pretty
I
much.
saw lower time frames like 50-minute is ranging, but then you look at the 1 hour, and that's that makes sense. It's a clean thing, and you really expect this to play out on a 1 hour basis right now. So
Yeah, it's gonna be my break even level is gonna be right here somewhere.
yeah, I think at this point I'm gonna bring my partial stop loss
5-minute
to break
just close.
even. Nice.
I'm gonna half my stop loss already though. Been in 4 pips profit, and I can't move my stop loss again. Yeah, my stop loss is just not moving again. Fuck's sakes, man. Stupid MetaTrader.
Start using TzRzetHz.
Where do you guys have your ultimate take profits at?
640.
Yeah, you see, part of me wants to just leave the thing running, going into New York, see if it can correct the clean traffic left, but other part of me just wants to secure profits.
The stop loss, break even stop loss about to be hit. And I'm gonna keep it below the hits. just managing that risk. We've been in profits now, 5 pips. It's an impulsive entry.
Oh, you got 5 pips?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
I'm in at 22.
427 for me.
Yeah.
I'm in from 400 exactly.
Pretty nice.
91 pip better.
Six, 7 pips.
But that's a good entry you got right there.
Mm-hmm.
I'm in only with 50%.
Yeah, me too. I'm in with a tiny bit less than 50%.
Yeah, it just touched my break-even level, but it didn't go to break-even, so I'm going to, you know, put my stops at 400. Touched it now. Stops at 400. Give it some breathing room at the end of the day. 400 is only going to be super small loss. Okay, touch my break-even level.
It's tickling my partial take profit over here.
It's very nice.
Oh, and it closed my partial.
Oh, nice, nice, nice.
I'm 7.4 pips in, so.
Yeah. Come on. I'm going break even, don't giving away this.
Yeah.
Shit.
Nice, so we waited fucking 3 hours, man.
I closed to just get some profits already.
Mm-hmm.
And I took it
at 8 pips. So. Yeah, I'm happy that I already closed some at 8 pips.
I'm waiting for 10 pips.
Yeah, I was waiting too, but this, you know, had me get some issues lately. I was like, yeah, I'm leaving the small amount, 10-cent lot running to 10 pips. And
I'm actually in with the biggest lot I've ever used.
Oh, damn.
Nice, 10 pips reached.
10 pips reached as well.
Break even and ultimate TP at 20 pips, 149.629.
Oh, it trailed my stop loss. What are you doing?
DJ, man.
450.
Yeah,
that was a good trade, guys. Good trade.
Yeah, very good trade right there.
Well done.
Yeah, take profit also 20 pips, I guess.
Yeah, I'm just gonna flu close. Got my money where my mouth is. You know, hit.
Yo, Luke, congrats, man. That was a good trade of the week.
Yeah, only I use it on a small lot, so.
Lovely 15 pips, guys.
But still, it's good.
Nice.
Good job, guys. No, that's a good one again.
I risked only 0.5% because it was just dodgy. I didn't like the structure.
Yeah. Oh, I closed at 9 pips total because I was like, it's not gonna happen to me again. Even though it pushed up all the way, I was like, yeah, I was looking at the 5 minute the entire time because I stop loss.
Profit is profit, right?
Yeah, profit's profit. 9 pips, bro. It's the first win of the week, man.
Exactly. And I wasn't expecting to trade as well today, so
yeah,
you know,
me too.
it's good. Happy days, man.
Happy days. Come on. Yeah, that's
but I think we're gonna reach 700 level easily today and daily.
Easily. But I just, you know, I made 2 losses this week, so I was like, you know, I need to secure some profits, you know.
For sure.
The only thing is that I used like half of my normal position, so it's not, you know, not that big. But at the end of the day, profit is profit, you know.
This quarter, just trying to maximize my profits as much as possible, to be honest.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. If you guys took it on the stream, give a like.
Because March, April, and May are literally one of the best months, especially for pound. If we check previous year, I did a simulation as well on the March, and the moves are just ridiculous.
This
moving
was
70, 80 pips.
Yeah, but this was just a stress-free trade. Touch
yeah,
never
for sure.
came back. You know, this is the perfect situation that can happen. Now, you know.
I mean, the hourly candle broken. When we broke the resistance on the hourly time frame, I was like, okay, we're moving up. It's just
yeah, you know what?
And we had the clean candle on the left hand side as well.
You know what my my magic keys did?
Go on.
I touched 10 pips and I put my stop loss at 10 pips. What? What? Wait, what?
Wow.
Hey guys, I gotta leave. Catch you tomorrow.
Yeah, catch you tomorrow.
Hey guys.
Hey, you made some big money with your big lot.
Yeah, but I just closed 50%. That made up for my loss today, and
Okay,
my TP would make up for my both losses and actually make me profitable this week. So I'm letting this run.
yeah, very nice, man.
Yeah.
Massively.
DJ was teasing for hour and a half.
I got you.
Bro, we've been waiting. Patience pays off. Patience.
I was
pays
waiting
off.
with you, but I just didn't talk at the moment. So
Yeah.
I was just like being patient, but it was just teasing, man.
We got the Apex player in the chat. Oh, he doesn't have his mic on. Yeah, no problem, Alec. Very nice trade right here. This is a stress-free trade. Nothing's, you know, just passes through. Takes a couple of minutes to go up, and then boom.
It was good impulsive move, to be honest. There.
Very good, very good. Took a lot of time, took a lot of patience, but you know.
Yeah. If I didn't call you guys, would still be yapping about taxes.
May
The indication I had was on 15 minute that we closed above 305. That was 4-hour resistance, and we made support above that level. So that was sort of like
let's see the 15 minutes.
Minutes, yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah.
I had a good entry as well, man. Just
as you were
10
saying,
pip slip. Very nice. Yeah, go ahead.
Was it me?
Someone was talking.
So many people.
Yeah, you were saying 15 minutes, so I wanted to have a look at the 15 minutes.
Yeah, because we had the 4-hour resistance at 305 and 15-minute closed above that. So it gave me a little confirmation that we should go up. And then as soon as we start pushing above the hourly resistance, 380, that was like, okay, we're moving up. There's no chance, because on the left we have one clean candle, full hourly clean candle, and we should reach the top of it. So, and that's what we did. That's where we must take profit, 530, and it hit.
Very nice trade. Very happy. You know.
Yeah.
I
with
was
the idea
just,
that go on.
I was just I was like, I'm gonna half my risk because on a full loss already for the past 2 days, like one total loss, 10 pip loss. Now I made up 50% of that.
That's really good, man.
Yeah, so
still
that's
got
really
tomorrow and Friday, right?
Yeah, but I'm gonna take it slow because it's just, you know, now it worked out. Everything worked out. If I used my full lot, I would have had, you know, been at break even now. But now at the end of the day, you just want to preserve capital, and this could have gone south as well because you see the rejection.
Sure. No, for sure. That's what I'm trying to say. It was teasing a lot.
Yeah. So I'm happy. Took my first profits at 8.5 pips, then took the other ones at 10 pips. So a total of 9 pip win.
Man, it's a big win because you wasn't expecting to trade. Neither did I.
Yeah.
So
yeah,
that's massive for us.
It's really nice. You know, at the end of the day, still a good lot that I used. So.
Yeah, for sure, man. It doesn't matter, as I'm saying. Is it 0.5%, 1%? It doesn't matter. As long as it's profit, it's profit.
This is, I can see how much it is. On this account, it's a 1%, 1.3%. So
there we go.
That's really nice.
There we go. Well done, man.
Yeah, thank you, man.
Well done, man. Well done.
Thank you.
It was amazing trade, man. Amazing analysis.
Very nice. Very nice. We've been waiting for this. Look
Patience,
how long. Look how long we've been waiting. All teasing, you know, and then finally it starts flying. Yeah, it's
still going now.
Yeah, it's gonna hit level.
Have you got runners?
Nope, I've fully closed.
No, closed it.
I was like,
and I think it will pull back now. I think it will make a pullback now.
Yeah, I would have hit like 13, 14 pips if I was still in. So it's, you know, I'm all good. Just did what I had to do. That's the perfect situation, you know. So.
I got a terrible entry on that.
What did you get?
470.
Wow.
Oh, that's pretty high.
Terrible. I kept hitting open trade on my bloody magic key. It wouldn't open.
I would go to break even if I was you in this position, though.
Oh, I'm at break even now.
Yeah, I was about to say it's, but maybe if it's gonna break this high, it's gonna.
No. I think it will reach 570.
The only problem is that 30-minute has such a small wick.
Yeah. It closed with a nice push, so I'm expecting a little bit pullback on 15 at least.
If I was you, I would just take half in your bank.
Oh, I've already done that. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
That's it.
Yeah, because when it pushed
profits.
up. Yeah, when it pushed up earlier.
Yeah.
And now I'm at break I've got my stop loss. At
I think
break-even.
he'll reach 10 pips for you, honestly.
Yeah, 100% it's going to. But you know, at the end of the day, you want to preserve that
Yeah.
capital that you have. You don't want to let those profits lay on the table. Be laid on the table, you know.
But that's really annoying. On the magic keys. It must be. I don't know whether it's my MT4 or.
Yeah, for me, my stop loss doesn't get moved anymore by my magic keys. Like now, what it did is it touched my partial take profit level, and it put my TP, my stop loss on my partial take profit level. Like what? You know? Yeah. Doesn't make any sense. And then for me, I wanted to trail my stop, so I click on the stop loss and I trail it, and then it goes back again to where it was. So it just doesn't let me. And my break even trigger doesn't put it on break even as well. So it's really annoying. I need to find out what's going on.
Yeah, I'm wondering with this if it's the MT4 or if it's I don't know, because I was just pressing the button and nothing was happening. I was ready to jump in at 420, and but but it's been sitting idle there for a little bit. I mean, it was on the numbers, the lights were on. I don't know. And often, if I open calc, it just takes a long time to respond.
Yeah.
Like I just hit open calc.
Maybe your batteries are low.
Yeah, could be, but there's not. There's no battery signal there.
Oh yeah.
So what we did, you're nearly at 10 pips, man.
Yeah.
Should be
10 there.
You know, I closed 50%
Good
of my runner at 15 pips in profit, and I cancelled my take profit
You're
of
a
20
G.
pips.
You're an absolute G.
Because
But
this is
I think
gonna
it's going to 700 now.
You
Look
have
at the
400, man.
guys.
Insane.
Look at the 4 hour. Look where it's gonna close, and then ask yourself what's the probability of New York continuing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's gonna go. The first level is gonna be 820 around that,
Yeah.
and then higher up. Oh my god.
I'm doing
I
my
was,
chart
to be
as
honest,
well.
I was expecting sales this week, but nope.
Yeah,
Pound
me
doesn't
too.
care.
I'm
How-
very happy about this trade. And you know, at the end of the day, we managed risk very well because we trailed the stops, did all the work to trail those stops from 5 pips, halving the stop, going further up, stop loss break even. So then all of those things make sense in having a stress-free and an infinite return trade.
Yeah, for sure. But I think with the annual budget, we're gonna fill the wick on weekly, but then we need to make some sort of a retracement, honestly.
Yeah.
The way we've been going is just ridiculous.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the annual budget, if it comes out bullish, this thing is gonna shoot up. It's gonna fill the whole weekly wick.
I was reading yesterday they are planning to invest some sort of like 400 billion or whatever in regards to coronavirus stuff and everything. So
Yeah. Got a question in the chat. That's a Dutch question, so most people probably can't read it.
yeah, it's going to 700.
Shit.
It's going to 700. I'm telling you, it's going.
Yeah, man,
Wow,
that would be
25
full take profit. Let's see if we get some sound effects.
Yeah. it just makes sense to go to 700.
Yeah, clapping. What's this? Very nice. Oh, that sounds very, very strange.
We don't hear it.
Oh, it's probably only the YouTubers.
But for some reason, euro yen as well moved
Yeah, man.
to the upside.
Guys, if you took that, give a like on the stream.
Oh, it's coming in.
Oh man, it's just pushing.
Yeah, it just doesn't care, man.
I have a TP at 150 flat. Let's see if New York can hit that.
Yeah. Well, how much are you in again? 1%?
Me, I took a 0.5% buy, but I closed most at 10, 15 pips.
Yeah, but you're gonna make 1% with that, probably.
There we go.
That's 30 pips right there. If you close, you're now at like, how much percent did you make then?
Not much actually, like up 0.5%, and with my runner like 1.1, 1.2%.
That's
No,
really
no,
good.
no,
Somehow
no,
my
not 1.1, like
That's really good, man. With just 0.5% risk.
We just touched the daily resistance.
Yeah.
Exact point to the T.
Savage, guys, savage. That was the full target for me as well.
yeah, 66.90 for me. Yeah.
My initial target was hourly high on the left hand side, 530, and I'm
Yeah.
happy with it.
Very nice, guys. Don't forget to give it a like.
yeah. Now you guys almost have to give a like because you know we followed through on our end. Now it's
We waited
Yes.
so long, so
Yeah.
long. I mean, at the end of the day, I waited 2 hours and how much? Long time.
I was
Yeah.
waiting 3 hours since 6:30
Yeah.
for
Yeah, me too. Me
any
too.
sort of move.
I started waiting. I waited at. I came on at 7:30, so pretty long time. But that's not. I wasn't waiting for the. Yeah, I mean, we missed the first buys, but
I don't think we missed it because it moved. Look where it moved from the bottom side of the range, and
Yeah.
it just shot straight away. So
but based on
the
that
only
break, we could have taken it. Based on this break, you could have taken an impulsive entry up.
based on the fake out on the 30-minute, yeah. But then
Yeah.
you had to anticipate that 4-hour resistance to break, and that can
exactly.
get rather ugly.
Yeah.
And the thing is, the probability, how many times if you're gonna do that, it's gonna be a winning trade, right?
Exactly.
Yep.
Sometimes what I had in 2020 a lot was false confidence in certain setups, like, you know, anticipating a resistance to break, but in reality, you know, that was false confidence.
Yeah. Got 19 likes on the stream. Very nice. Got one more. We got 20.
Now he's rejecting that daily level as expected. But yeah, for sure, I think we're gonna fill the wick on the weekly. If not, then I don't know. We're expecting the retracement with the annual budget.
Yeah. We got 85 subscribers. We hit 85 today. Come on. Let's go. Very nice. The views aren't that bad as well, because if you just look on my account, you know, and you look at the views of all the live streams, pretty good.
Yeah.
I need to update the thumbnails.
Oh, they're okay.
Yeah, they're all the same, but most of them aren't the
I
same.
mean, look at it this way, man. If you were sitting in a classroom with 85 people, right?
Yeah, man. Insane.
That's literally what it is.
Yeah, man.
You
That's
know,
true.
Look,
people
you
get
just started
like,
a few
detached
weeks
from
ago,
it.
man.
Exactly.
Yeah, man.
And if you had 8 or 100 people, like on average, like the past couple of days, you've got 100 people there, right?
Yeah.
You've got 100
100%.
people looking at that. Right?
Crazy.
You'd be amazed, man.
Yeah, man.
Do
It's
you know what I mean?
crazy.
This is exactly it.
Look at Raja, man. He started with 2 people coming into his streams, and then look
Yeah.
at now.
Insane.
I remember when he had like, when I first came across Raja's stream, he used to have like 200, 150,
Yeah.
200.
Yeah.
And then, but then I never bothered, you know, I was just like, yeah, whatever. But I
Yeah.
took it seriously when people started like, when there was like 800, 700, 800.
Yeah, man.
Because he was doing it every day, you know. You just like subconsciously see it every day, and then you're like, rather join.
Yeah, you know, they got value probably. So very
No,
nice.
it's just like exploded to like 3,000. But then even more than that, this is like, look, what you're doing is amazing, bro.
Yeah, thank you,
Yeah.
man. Master P, shout out to him. He's the guy that's behind the scenes sometimes as well. You know,
Oh yeah,
he works
Master
a
P
lot
as
on it.
well. Yeah, yeah.
You
Yeah,
know.
I handled the Instagram.
Yeah.
here and
LP Trading, I'll show you. This is the
Oh,
Instagram where we.
is that you?
No, that's
Like
not me.
LP
This is not
Trading?
me. This is the Instagram of this group where we post sometimes the trades in what we take, and you know, not everything,
Right,
but
right.
some things. We also post losses. Here's a loss, for example, wins.
Yeah,
everything.
I've had low motivation to keep that running though past few days,
Yeah.
past week.
No
Oh,
worries, man. I'll give you
that's
guys a follow.
Yeah, perfect, man. This is my own account. I don't really post a lot on it, but sometimes.
I look, but I still can't believe like we spoke with each other in WhatsApp, man.
Yeah, man, bro. I was so pissed off that I couldn't go. I was so pissed off. You don't even want to know.
Nah. It is what it is, bro.
I looked forward to it for so long, bro. So long.
Yeah.
You know.
I told you, just hop on, man. Just hop on. I told you, man.
Yeah. I should have.
But next time he's in.
Next time I'm there.
In.
Next time I'm fucking there.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter what's gonna happen. I'm there.
Just swim across the channel, man. Swim.
Yeah. Here we got Masterpiece.
Oh, that's me.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's most of the channels that we're posting on. So. And next time I'm gonna be there.
Yeah.
You know, and probably next time it's gonna be in London as well.
I think I'll join there as well. Like, it doesn't matter. Like.
Yeah, and in the evening you can always come and just hang out and stuff. You know.
No. I'll buy a seat in the seminar, man.
Oh yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, I'll still have mine reserved. So.
Oh, awesome. Yeah, I'm sure. I was gonna ask you what happened with that.
No, I'm still reserved. I can get my money back any day, you know. But I was like, yeah, just reserve it. That's perfect. I want to be there once, you know, or many other times. But just for me, it's not about what's on the screen, but it's about connecting with the people around you that are in the same vision, same situation. You know, that's the thing. What I want. That's what I'm interested in. Because all the things on the screen, you know that. You know that's technical. You know those things. You know. In person, it's gonna help you some more as well. But you're really in contact with the guys sitting next to you, Rakil, some other guys that are coming along. You know, that's the thing. What I'm looking for to get value off. You know, because guys sitting next to you, they probably know more than you, and you can learn of them, and they can learn of you by things they don't know, but you know. So it's all, you know, it's really good for your you know, educational process.
You know what they say, like if you keep the people around you, you know, you're gonna have that was it, man.
Yeah,
it makes massive difference, to be honest with you.
Yeah, Augustus, whereabouts are you based?
I'm originally from Lithuania, but I'm living in UK at the moment.
Right. Whereabouts in the UK?
London.
Awesome. Nice. I'm in Kent.
Oh really? Oh okay. Well, I was living in Essex at that moment.
The other side of the
thing is, I used to play for Dartford.
Oh, okay, awesome.
Yeah. So,
but you're North Kent. I'm like South Kent. I'm in Folkestone.
Oh, I see. Yeah, because before Forex, I was a sort of a footballer.
Oh, nice.
Oh, okay, awesome.
I wouldn't say I was that sort of professional, but I was playing in League 2. And you know, I was bagging them Redbridge, Dartford, and so on and so forth. You know, but it didn't happen because of many injuries and.
That's annoying.
It is what it is, right?
It is what it is.
It's life. You have to move on, and then I found Forex, and man.
Exactly. Just find a new way to succeed.
Yeah, because I knew that I'm not gonna be reliable on 9 to 5. Because like since the football days, you know. It was never my thing on you know, I want to go to work and everything.
I can't listen to someone else. That's my issue. I want to do my own shit, you know. I want to make my own decision. I worked at a car dealership.
Okay.
And for 3 years. The first year was at a different dealership. 2 years I was do you know the brand Lexus?
Yeah.
Sure. I worked there. And for me, that was the perfect, man. I had my own things, my own decisions, my own things that I wanted to do. So that was, for me, that was good. But still, the 9 to 5 things weren't my thing. But for me, that was the perfect situation because I was allowed to do anything I wanted to do. And, you know, that's perfect. But at all the other jobs you go into, people are just telling you what to do. And bro, no.
Was it in Netherlands?
Yeah, Netherlands, yeah.
Okay, what city you from?
Near Rotterdam, man.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
I mean,
last year I visited Amsterdam, so it was good.
Oh, okay, yeah, nice.
Amsterdam is good, man. I mean, like on what you guys were saying earlier, just like not being able to do that 9 to 5, right? if you really have a look, what if you made like, if you traded 0.5 lot today, yeah, took 10 pips out, that's like $50
Yeah.
in what, 5 minutes, yeah,
Yeah.
and you're done for the day.
Yeah, but that's the
Yeah,
thing. I'm
You-
done. So I'm if in
You're
a
done
couple
for the day.
minutes I'm gonna end the stream, and then I
Yeah.
can do whatever the heck I want.
If that is one lot, that's £100, $100 for the day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's
To
fine.
earn $100 in £10 an hour, right? $10 per hour. You have to work for 10 hours, right?
Yeah.
But what? I woke up at 6 o'clock wanting to wake up. Like, I was like, I don't want to miss the morning move. Do you know what I mean?
yeah,
I
for
was
sure, man.
looking forward to waking up at what? I opened my eyes at like 5 o'clock, but I got out of bed at 5:30 and,
Yeah.
kept on looking at my phone. And by 9:30, I'm done. And I'm
Yeah,
chilling with you guys. Do you know what I mean? And I'm loving it.
Yeah, man. That's
And then,
the best thing. At the end of the day, you're once you're in the stream, you got people surrounded with the same mind, and that's, I think, the
Yeah.
best thing, because before we were typing in the Forex family chat this and that, and people weren't that respectful at the end of the day. But next to that, next to all those things, is that you weren't communicating for real with the people that are around you with the same vision, the same idea, the same lifestyle.
Yeah.
And
you're
I
more in
think it's
person.
now that you can explain your lifestyle, you can explain the things to each other, you can communicate with each other. You're on the same level, you learn from each other, and you grow with each other.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course,
Yeah.
man.
Maybe
it's
one
easier,
guy
for sure.
grows before the other, but you're all gonna grow at the end of the day. If you have people around you with the same vision, same mindset, same profitable ideas, same situations, you're gonna go with them. Even if the train come late, the train's gonna come.
Yeah. I mean, it was good, man. Thanks.
I
guys.
think it's similar. You creating similar what Raja, Ted, and Kevin had beforehand coming into the streams.
Yeah,
So-
probably, yeah.
I think it's good because it creates a nice vibe for everyone. Relaxing, joking, and then going into the trades. That's what we want, right?
Yeah,
So-
100%.
I mean, don't get me wrong. There are other live streams out there as well, but I mean, I just magneted towards yours. Like gravitated towards yours. And
Yeah, thank you.
There's
Man.
plenty
I
of
might
good
not be the
streams.
smartest guy yet, and I might not be the best trader yet. 100%.
But we're
There are
making
better
effort,
traders.
man.
Yeah, we're making an effort. We're trying to be. We're trying to do the stuff. That we want to do. Not looking at someone else.
Yeah.
The only thing we got is time now. As young as we are, we got time for this thing, and Forex is not going away. It doesn't matter if crypto is coming in and changing the fiat currency. The Forex industry is not going to go. We're going to still trade the cryptocurrencies, right? Still.
But crypto, at the end of the day, if you learn how to trade crypto, it's going to have, if the world is going to use a different currency, there's going to be the same type of movements.
Exactly.
Because
that's what I'm trying to say.
money is
Candle's
going to
move the same.
money is going to be handed the same way in the same amounts. So the moves are going to be different. Like the moves are going to be the same, but just bigger or smaller. And
Yeah, for sure, man.
Same moves, same up and down moves are going to happen because that's the way money works. That's how money gets thrown out into the world.
I think I remember. I don't know if you know the capital hungry guy, Jeevan, and
he's smart.
He once said, unless we go back to selling cows, the Forex is not going away.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a smart guy. That guy is.
Yeah. Fundamentally, he's on point.
Yeah, he's a really smart guy. Yeah, I learned some things in the stream from him as well, just explaining how the market works and how
Yeah. To be honest, for example, like Monty, right? I learned from him in regards to the market structure. He speaks about that a lot, and that's what he taught me. Not Raja. I took Raja's course, but Raja didn't teach that much about the structure. As much as Monty, and Monty preaches about that a lot. And then when I picked that information from him, he just, you add bits and pieces from everyone, then you make your own sort of style, and it clicks, and it starts clicking,
Yeah, that's pretty good. Pretty good. I used to watch Monty as well, but the only issue I had with Monty is every time I started taking a trade, I just had to shut off the stream because
he'd be like, "Oh no."
Yeah,
so
he's a safe trader. He trades pretty safe. He wants to see the perfect situation before taking anything. You know, and that's some discipline right there, I gotta say.
Man, this guy took one loss in February, just one loss.
Yeah.
What? Really? Oh, damn.
And he showed his I think his weekly profits and monthly profits, and it's just one loss in February, 4 losses in January. That's it.
Yeah, that's
How
really
many
good.
trades does he take in a week, actually?
Sorry?
How many trades does like Monty take in a week, actually?
Man, sometimes I check you get like 3-4 trades in a day. Like
Yeah,
same
that's true.
bias with GJ, you know?
Yeah.
Monty is good, man. Monty is amazing. I've got a lot of respect for Monty.
You know, at
Definitely.
his age, he's just got patience for everything, man. You know, he's really mature in that sense. And
How old is he actually?
I think
He's
he's in above 40 something,
Yeah,
40 something.
something like that.
Yeah, as in senior, as in old. But,
Yeah, but
what you said, Augustus, like about mixing, you know, different things and taking the best that you find,
yeah,
I definitely resonate that with you, man. Like Raja is very specific on the time of trade, the time that you trade, and just candlesticks
risk
high and
management, right?
lows. Yeah, risk management. Monty taught me about structure. Yeah, and
For
that
sure.
was enforced with Todd Capital as well, because Todd, yeah,
He's a pretty
like
good
structure.
trader
He's
as well.
also
Yeah,
he's
yeah,
also
yeah.
very structural based. And then, you know, I just took bits and bobs and I looked at the market for a couple of months, like December and January, right? And like came out with my own thing, you know, and something
Exactly.
that fitted my personality, right? With the risk tolerance. And with that exact style of trading, when I looked at Luke's for a couple of days, like it just clicked with him, you know, like how he trades and how I trade are like quite similar. I feel
Yeah.
personally, I mean, he might think it's kind of different, but then like with the risk that we take and the time of trade day that we are trading, it's like it's very
If you,
aligned.
Yeah.
if
Thank
you
you,
look
man.
at the Todd, and he actually was paying attention to Raj as well, and he learned from Raj about the risk
Yeah.
management, everything.
Yes. Yeah.
So, you know, we all around doing the same thing, but just somebody is good at one thing and the other is good at the other thing.
Exactly.
And you know, you just look at the advantages they have and you take them with you, and
Yeah.
then you create something of your own.
It's like looking at different companies. This company does something better than the other. This
Yeah.
company does something better than the other again, and then
Yeah.
form those 3 better things together with the company that's already there. You know, it's the same thing. You got to see yourself as the company.
The example is in front of us. Like for instance, Raja, Kerwin, and Jivan. They learned
Even look
from
at Ted, right?
Yeah, they learned
So-
from Ted, but they 3 different styles of traders completely.
Yeah.
Mhm.
They found their own style. Like
Yeah, they found
Hercule found his own style as well. Everyone needs to find their own style.
Jivan found his own, like Jivan from Capital Hungary. He found his own style of trading as well, and he's got a crazy, amazing method of trading, which is amazing, you know.
Yeah.
And Kerwin, he just does gold so differently to that of Raja, right?
Yeah, pretty much
So-
sometimes the same as Tet sometimes, right?
Yeah. And you know, it's
For
just,
me, Ted is different world, to be honest with you guys.
oh,
He's just
man.
he pays attention to so many things, and his risk management and perseverance of the capital is unbelievable.
Yeah.
This guy has probably like 10 break evens, but 2 wins, and those 2 wins is like 500,000.
Yeah.
Catch 100 pip moves on those other ones.
He just knows, he can dream what's gonna happen. This guy,
Mhm.
literally.
That's
Come
what.
on,
Yeah,
Luke,
I want to
Luke,
mirror.
you saw this.
Ted's.
You saw this move as well, man. You visualized it as well, man. Don't down yourself, bro.
Yeah, I'm far from as good as him, but still, you know,
No.
trying.
Man, look at his age, right?
Yeah,
look at his age.
Yeah, he's financial background and stuff.
Yeah, exactly. So he didn't have no fear in regards to the money or something, and he was earning good money at that moment.
Before,
but then then he took that strategy of his, and then he implemented it on the market, and you don't really care about the money now.
Yeah,
he's just doing automatically his moves, like robotically, just taking the trade. If the trade goes his way, perfect. If the trade doesn't, he just closes the trade. Like there's no emotion for him. And that's what he's trying to say to other people. Just try to cut those emotions. And if the trade it's not going your way, just close it, man. It's rather a 5 pip loss than, you know, a 25 pip drawdown.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyways,
So
guys,
I mean, so it's good
amazing
for
day
us.
for me. Amazing day in the stream. If
Yeah,
you
man.
haven't liked, please like it, guys.
Thank you, man.
Thank you so much, Augustus. It was nice to meet you, buddy.
Yeah, nice to meet you, Carl, as well.
Master P and Luke, cheers, buddy, and everyone else.
Yeah,
Thanks.
man,
I'm done
thank
for
you,
the day.
thank you.
Cheers, man. Brilliant.
you,
Thank you,
guys.
man.
See you tomorrow morning.
Guys.
Yeah, I'm gonna end the stream by this one.
Yeah, thanks for joining.
Yeah, thank you, man. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for the subs. Got 23 likes right now, 85 subs. So that's, you know, it's gonna go in the
Pushing.
right way. Yeah, man. Thank you, guys. See you tomorrow. Take care. Don't overtrade. Don't over risk. You know, you got your trade already. So thank you for tuning in.
Thank you.
Bye bye,
See you
guys.
tomorrow, guys. Bye bye.
See you tomorrow.
Have a nice day.